wake up, I come on. I wake up, I come on. I wake up and come on. Blessings, never stressing. I wake up, I pray to God, lead me in the right direction. Yeah, wake up and come on. Blessings, never stressing. I wake up, I pray to God, hoping that He get my message. Yeah, I've been on the low. I do not know, no. Just what I want. So got me low. I've been on the low. I do not know, no. Just what I want. So got me low. No one ever saw the vision. Told me I was too young, too calm in this game, but I ain't vision. Something different, yeah, they turned me down. Told me I was tripped, now we're planning trips and plotting on the mission. And because my age, man, it's been division. Dissipate away, man, it's my decision. Never been forced, honestly, it's sick, now they making claims. That is so insane. Talking about our chains, but I've been this way. They said your dream's too big. Now take a look at what I did. I'm about to take over the game. No questions, boy, that's it. I swear to God. Blessings, never stressing. Every night I pray to God, lead me in the right direction. Yeah, wake up and come on. Blessings, never stressing. I wake up, I pray to God, hoping that He get my message. Yeah, I've been on the low. I do not know, no. Just what I want. So got me low. I've been on the low. I do not know, no. Just what I want. So got me low. I know they hate, I pay them no attention. They tryna imitate me, but I should probably mention there's only one other kid could care less about what you did or what you doing. Honestly, it's too concentrated on my biz. I don't got time for the games. Don't pay no mind to these lames. I'm in my own separate lane. I mean, I'm just saying, I'm gonna put in all this work. I seen how far I can get. See all the hate, it don't work. We got the plan. I wake up and count my blessings. Never stressing. Every night I pray to God, lead me in the right direction.
What up, chat? Welcome in. Happy Thursday. Let's get it.
I've been on the low. I do not know. Just what I want. So got me low.
Recording in progress.
I do not know.
All right, what's up, everyone? Welcome in. Happy Thursday. We are back. It is the NY session, and we are ready to go. W's in the chat. We got Motion here today. What up, OGH? What up, Stephen B? What up, PM Magnifico? Xander in the building. What's up, Mr. Barry? I missed it. Barrow Profits, I think it said. Yeah. Mr. Yeah. What up, Wags? What's goody? What up, Z Gamer is in the house. What up, Sky? What up, Wokey? What's up, Jasmine? What's good? What up, Berry? George VDM is in the house. What up, George? What up, YOLO Trader? What's good, Andrew? Welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. Let me share my screen. Actually, hold on one second. Let's do this. Man, I feel like I've gotten a whole week's worth of rest. Wow. What a sleep. All right, let's share screen here. Discord. Hey, if you guys are not in our free Discord, you can join the Discord now. Come on in. Oh, almost 9,000 traders in the Discord. So come on in, join the crew, join the party. Let me just send the Zoom link out. And we're gonna rock and roll here, man. What a day. What a day it's been. Asian, London. Holy. All right, I think we're good. Yeah. Cool. All right, we are good here. Let me just one more thing. Okay, perfect. All right, who else we got here today, man? Who else? Who's fired up about being an 8-figure trader? What's up, Energy? What up, Dominic? What up, Stevie Mac? We're moving closer and closer. What up, Ecom Dre? Well, it's good. How y'all doing? We got news coming in here. Anytime there's news coming in, you might catch me a little later in the NY session. A little later. What up, Rapid Max? Okay, cool. DJ Scratchers in the house. Yo. What's up, Scott Blackwood? February King in the building. Okay, I think we're good. What's up, everyone? Good morning. Yo. Yeah. Sleep stops. All right, let's go ahead and get the day started. Let me lower the music here. I would be honored to pray for you all real quick, and then we'll get started. So let's pray, and then we will get this party started. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you, Lord. We come to you in the name of Jesus. We thank you that we can gather together in prayer, Lord. We thank you that when two or more are gathered together in your name, that you're there. So we thank you, Lord. There's clearly more than two here, Lord. We thank you for the spirit of victory that's among our squad. We thank you for the spirit that dwells amongst us here today. Lord, we give you all the glory for blessing our path, and we thank you in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen, amen. Willie in the house. Holla, how you doing? How are you? How are you? All right, let's go ahead and get started. It is going to be a fun day here today. Let me just grab my tools. Let's make this stream here today educational and productive. All right, Zoom, you guys should have music now. Yeah? Good to go? Good? Okay, perfect. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Today, again, is Thursday. It is the third day on a Thursday of October. So it is beginning of the month. We're looking good so far. Been stacking some trades here. And today we don't really have much going on outside of 8:30, which is coming up here in a few minutes. We'll have unemployment claims. We'll have PMI coming in as well at 9:45. And then at 10 a.m., we'll have this ISM PMI stuff. So I will be with you all for all of this here today. Probably hang out to like, I don't know, maybe like 11 a.m. today or something. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's do a top-down analysis, and let's see what we got here from gold. Yeah, we'll have news coming in here, excuse me, in about 4 minutes. So let's do a fresh analysis and let's see what the deal is. Okay, perfect. So let's look at the daily time frame real quick. Let's lock this in. Don't worry about the news. It'll be all right. You'll probably save yourself from a massive loss anyway. So let's see. Daily time frame, you have a range here. We noticed that this candle, this bullish candle like 2 days ago, kind of closed very strong bullish. We had already tapped into the top of this range here. Let me lower the music a little bit. Yeah, should be good, right? Is it just me? Yeah, that should be better. So we closed there. We kind of came into the top of this range here, tapped into that resistance, kind of fell back and closed near the top of the range, right? So now you have the next candle, which was yesterday's candle, end up closing bearish. Today's candle ends up making a top wick, respecting the high and filling that wick just as anticipated. So just a beautiful move down there in London last night. That was just phenomenal to be a part of. So that's what we got going on the daily. Let's take a look at the 4 hour here. 4 hour looks like it is bearish. So we are pretty bearish here on the 4 hour. There still is room. So we finally broke out of this nasty range there on the 4 hour chart. You had this nasty range sitting right here. You got more range to continue driving. We've been driving now though for 4, 8, 12, you know, probably 15, 16 hours now, right? So let's see what this candle wants to do here. This may be some sort of a fake out, right? There's an hour and a half left on this 4 hour candle, so only time will tell. But if we do close back in the range, then I think we can begin to retest the top of the range, right? Start to move up a bit and have this daily candle begin to pull back a little bit now after filling the wick here. So that may be the vibe here today on gold, but we will head down to the lower time frames to see if that makes any sense here. So let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour is just moving up here. So let's take a look at the 30. 30's got the range here. So if we look at the 30-minute time frame, we have a pretty strong support zone. Same over here. You've got this zone here that price has been respecting. You also have a resistance here that price has also been respecting. Last candle closed outside of the range, right? So if this candle is closing outside of the range, then there's a very high chance that price will fill the range. Now, it all depends on what happens here in about 1 minute with the news, whether or not we fill this range here or not. So I'm just going to wait for the news to come out. I do see a pretty strong level here, right here as well. So we haven't had a candle close above there yet. That could be where we get a fake out, right? For this daily candle to continue moving down, something like this. But let's see how the news comes out, and then we will march on from there. Boom, here it is. Here it is. So the range has been officially filled. See that? Target has been tapped. What up, Buzz Blab? What's good? What's good? So yeah. So basically, what I'm going to be looking for here is so you have a 4-hour closure in about an hour and a half. This 4-hour candle may want to move up. The buys here are okay. I think I like buys if we remain above, right? So if you get like candles like this, and then you get a bullish closure like this, that's where I'll probably look to take my buys. Until then, we don't know where news wants to take us. And all in all, we're still pretty bearish on the daily and on the 4-hour here. So keep that in mind. Until you get this 4-hour candle closure, it's very difficult to get bullish here, you know, for this move up here. So let's wait on the buy, or I'm going to wait on the buys here. You guys can do whatever your heart so pleases, but I'm going to wait here, potential fake outs or range 2 buys above. Yeah, and that's it. That's the day. Clean sells below these 1-hour lows look pretty decent, or if we can get sells from this point, fake out back in the range, you got about a 60 pip range coming down here. So just gotta have to wait here on a 15 or 30 closure and then take it from there. Cool. Sells here, and then yeah, range 2 buys above here. I would love to trade this range right here, but gonna need a range 2 there, right? Because we don't know if this 4-hour candle want to respect the high and then just keep driving down after a beautiful closure. So that's it, man. That's it. Trading made simple. Yeah, notice how the 4-hour from yesterday, remember this zone here, right? We're still respecting that zone, but we finally closed below. But now this new candle here is a big testament of whether or not we're going to actually stay down or if we're going to start moving back up here. So who's in buys? Anyone take buys for the dopamine hit? Anyone? All right, let's mark this up. Boom. All right, perfect. All right, so we haven't had a 1-hour closure above the zone here yet at all. We did have a 30 closure, but as you can see, we filled the range. So we either get some sort of a range to buy, or a possible 1-hour closure above the range to fill the wick on the next candle and, you know, fill the range again. So that's my day here. That's my day. Should be an interesting one. We're a bit choppy, not gonna lie, on both sides here today, but all in all, not a bad day. Yeah, sells. So the ranges here for sells are yeah, about 50 pips. So we're good, man. That's tradable for me. Let's make it gray, and that's the deal here today. Same ranges, nice. W. Took same trade as you, nice. In London? Yeah, London. What up, dropout trader? Yeah, here we go. Nice exhaustion. Potential closures back below. Let me see here. Yeah, yesterday's London trade. So let's take a look at that. That was up here. Yeah, so that was basically yesterday we were looking for sells, right? So we knew that we were bearish on the daily. We wanted to see how we can get a potential daily wick, which happened to be here. And then we seen that this candle closed with no top wick. So we didn't fade this, right? We didn't fade this here. We waited on the closure. And we noticed that we got a fake out, right? So this candle, this did a fake out back into the range, took an entry on the next candle, full TP right here, and then yeah, this thing just absolutely melted here. Absolutely melted. Damn. Yeah, I had a feeling we would do that. We knew that this was the wick fill on the daily here, right? And then if you go down to the 4-hour, that's this wick fill right here. So let me show you guys something, right? Because we called this. We called this to the T. So take a look at the price action right here, right? Price action here. Doesn't it look just like the price action right here, right? And then you have this candle closure, which you have this candle closure, and then you have the drive down, and then you have the drive down, right? So this is what we seen last night. That's why we were very bearish, looking to basically duplicate or mimic that entire move right there, and that's exactly what happened. So we were pretty bearish yesterday. The first sell that we took was, where is it? Hold on. Was right here. So we took these sells. Sorry, where'd it go? Where did it go? I think that was on the 30. Yo, am I bugging? Oh yeah, I think it was right here. Hold on. Let's go back to the 15 real quick. Yeah, right here. So first trade we took here was a celery play, right? Broke the lows here. Price went down. This candle came all the way back up though and stopped us out. Yeah. So random candle here. 30 looked money too to drive down, right? And then this random candle came up and just doink, stopped us out. A few of us, a few people survived, right, in the clubhouse because they had their stops above the highs here, but most of us got tapped, and that was the first trade. And then yeah, the second trade was a absolute bleeder here. This one right here. Both good trades, both great trades. I take both of those trades again. One happened to be a winner, one happened to be a loser. That's all good. Some of you guys took profits. That's right. Yeah, I think we were good like 15 pips maybe in profit. Yeah, previous 30 stops, man. Held it down. Let me put this excess in the freezer. It's not fit for my liking right now. Hold on. All right. I need that excess borderline frozen, borderline slushy. Yeah. Hey, if I forget, somebody remind me to go get that excess out the freezer, please. Please. Yeah, so we are looking for range 2 buys above here, potential fake outs for sells, and that's just what we're waiting on right now. Yeah, Daniel took some profits. That's right. Can I print how the range 2 buys could work? Yeah, I mean, there's multiple ways that it could work. You may even get just a closure back above. Oops. Closure back above here. So like maybe a close below and then a close above. And then I think the buys are good, right? So that's one way it can go down. Another way it can go down is if this candle here ends up closing above the range. And then we just kind of get like some sort of a fake out happen, right? So let me show you one sec. So let's say that this candle here is not closed yet, but it pulls back here and it closes above, right? And then the next candle kind of drives down like this. Now we could either take some sort of like inverted celery, impulse entry here on the break of the highs, or you can wait for a support and then you have this wick to fill now, something like that. So it's basically just got to be a break and a retest. That's all. Does that make sense? You were probably going to get a push down here. But we still got time on this candle. 5 minutes on the 15 and 20 minutes on the 30. Will I show where support is below the sells? Yes, the nearest support below the sells are right here in this gray zone. You see that gray zone there that I just highlighted? That's going to be your nearest support. And if we look left, we will see it right here. London was a vibe. It was nice. We got to get off a little early too. We pip and dipped. I got a good amount of sleep in. I think I'm caught up on sleep now for the whole week. We Gucci. Charts for stream? Yeah, let's take a look. Let's take a look, Colin. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay, let's take a look here and see what we got. Let's see if we can learn something. We have a few minutes for the candle to close, so let's take a look at some trades here. Oh, look, same trade as me. So price was bearish on both daily and 4 hour. I got in after the 30 closure below, anticipating the daily wick fill in the 4 hour range fill. Perfect. But there was no follow through even after the break of the previous lows for a celery play. Anyways, I did trail my stop loss from my original stop loss to 30-minute highs, assuming that after this candle broke. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, I took the same trade. So it was a good trade. You had clean traffic to the left. The only thing that I believe that stopped this trade from being a winner is the fact that we were super early on the 4 hour candle. So the 4 hour candle had just opened at that time. So we broke the lows in the first 5 or 10 minutes of the 4 hour candle, and then we decided to come back up to make a steeper top wick or whatever. So that's it. Other than that, it was a good trade. There was like a support, and stuff to the left, but you can't get you can't get too crazy with your analysis, right? You'll develop that analysis paralysis, and you'll find something to keep you out of every single trade, right? So the fact that we were bearish on the daily, right, and on the 4 hour here, the fact that the 30-minute closed below the range, right, the fact that we had a perfect celery play line up, we broke the lows. I think that was a great trade. Yeah, great trade. Like I said, the only thing there is may have been a little early because that futures 4 hour candle had just opened up at that point. So other than that, great trade idea. Oh, what do you know? This is awesome. This is not that you guys took a loss here, just that you guys all executed on the perfect trade idea. Yep, and guess what? Look, even the perfect trade idea can go south. So that's why you always have to focus on your risk, always have to focus on how much you're actually putting into the markets, and make sure that that's doable for you, because even the best setup can go against you. So breakdown, entry on the break of the lows, got it. Target, planned clean range coming down. Yeah, see, 4 hour bearish daily or 4 hour and daily broke their own lows. Exactly. That was also the daily and the 4 hour lows. No problem. It was a good loss. Yep. Great loss. Not even a good one, a great one. Yeah, I love this trade. This is such a good trade. Let's see. Look at, what do you know here? See, I love the fact that everyone took this. It's amazing. Amazing. There's probability on us here, gang. Way to spot the opportunities, though. Yeah, so we all know the drill. Everything's, bearish here, and just happen to go against us on this one. Lovely, lovely. I once we got stopped out on this trade, I went to Raja's group, and what do you know? A bunch of them took the same position. So we had a good read on price there. Oh, look, and then we came back with this. Yeah, so then we came back with this one. So this was where we took the loss, right? Price, we waited this out now. Price came up, gave us that fake out. Yeah, this is perfect. So I took this trade as well. Previous daily and 4 hour all closed bearish structure. The lows were formed. Yup, 15. Remember what John says, if that low is formed, you get a high, you're going to retest that low. 85% chance you really retest that low. So yeah, another great trade. 15 closed back in the range. Okay, it was a 30-minute fade. It was 3 a.m. by the way. This is London open. What do you know? And then yeah, I like it. 12 pips at break even, closed 80% at 60 or 17 pips, and just let the rest run. Beautiful. Great trade. Great trade. Great trade. Let's see what this is. All right, so 645 fade. Okay, so this is a fade at 645 today. Waited for a pullback. Price to touch some reasonable resistance. Okay, considering more sells. Enter the fade. Half risk. All right. What happened here? Did you get stopped out or? This was before news, right? I think. Yeah, 645. All right. And then the last one here is the same trade. So beautiful. So all the trades and charts for stream were 2 trades, and I did take both of those trades as well with you guys. So W. What up, Zoomers? What up, Pip Lord? What's good? Man, we've had people join the Clubhouse and just coming at a perfect timing. Yeah, man. Yeah, W Clubhouse over the last like 3 weeks. We just been on a roll, baby. On a roll. Yeah, we had a bunch of people pass their combines, their challenges. We've had people get paid out. All in the last 3.5 weeks. Sheesh. See, a lot can happen when you link up and you get together with a mastermind. What up, Swifty? What up, AB Mike? What's up, boys? What up, boys? Yeah, Clubhouse been lit. Clubhouse talks have been lit. We even write music in the Clubhouse these days. What do you guys think? Should we show them the song or? Got more trades than last year? Yes. Yeah, I'm more aggressive than last year too. I think this is my best trading year to date. Yo, what's up, Lights Fire? What's good? What's good? Did Diddy produce it? Nah, bro. We independent out here. We're independent. We get money our own way. What up, Diogo? What's up, my man? Yo, what's good, Chala? What's up? What's up? DJ Scratches. Yo, what up, C Melly? What up, Zoomers? How y'all feeling? Why pay someone when you can learn on YouTube and stuff? You can. But if anyone here has been a part of the Elite program, is it any different than YouTube? Just a little, maybe? Maybe some of the elites can tell you, like, because they've done it. I've done it too myself. I've paid $3,000. I've paid $5,000. I just recently paid $4,000 for mentorship, and it wasn't anything I could have gotten on YouTube. Yeah. Micro chart looks a lot different. Oh, I'm not sure. Worth every penny, y'all. That talk yesterday, J-Mac. Holy. Yeah, we also have we're also doing webinars once a week. So this week's webinar, we're going to take a little break from technical analysis and we're going to get our goal setting right. So we're going to do a webinar on goal setting. We're going to get prepared for the end of the year for Q4, and as we prepare for Q4, that should give us a lot of momentum as we move into Q1 of 2025. So that's where it's at, man. That's where it's at. So we're going to do a big webinar this week on goal setting. I think it's sometimes more important than what you are looking at in terms of technicals. Actually, I always think it's more important than the technicals. So very, very important topic this weekend. So we'll be doing that on Saturday. Excuse me. Robin Hood in the house. Nice job, Eddie. Congratulations. Congratulations. What time is news? It already happened at 8:30. What up, Alan Forex? Rob Trades in the house. W, brother. All the elites are coming out. Yeah. Hey, nobody reminded me about my excess. How many minutes has it been? Joint might be frozen. You guys want to hear the? You guys want to hear our song that we wrote and made while I go get my excess? Who wants to hear it? Anyone? Play the song. Show us the ear. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, Green doesn't want to listen to it, chat. Sorry. Sorry. Grumpy Green got to ruin the party. No, I'm just kidding. Green, you don't want to hear it? Chat, I don't think Green wants to hear it, man. Whatever Green says, it goes. You guys are going to have to bribe him, I guess. Green, put in your Cash App. Maybe if we raise enough money for Green's Cash App, then we'll get the song to play. All right, let's play the song. I think this is a song. Hey, y'all. How y'all doing? This is a song I wrote for all my traders out there. Why don't you go ahead and grab your laptops, bring them close to you. If you ain't got a laptop tonight, I want you to just think about a laptop with a chart on it. Here we go. Enjoy. This one's for you, Dell. I'll be right back. Enjoy the music.
Out on Wall Street, the lights are glowing bright. Trading high stakes in the dead of night. I'm chasing dreams with numbers on the screen, hoping this gamble brings a life serene. 'Cause I'm trading on high risk to feed my family, paying off debts, fighting to be free. Late nights and hard work, I won't let go. For my loving kids and wife, I'll brave the stormy flow. Started out broke with a tough past in tow. Early pregnancy, we had to grow. The bank calls in, bills stacked high. I stare at those charts and I can't lie. 'Cause I'm trading on high risk to feed my family, paying off debts, fighting to be free. Late nights and hard work, I won't let go. For my loving kids who I found brave the stormy
Come on.
Lonely nights in the city's glow, thinking about the love I left at home. Every trade is a chance I take, working for a happy end, no matter what's at stake. The morning sun, it finds me here.
What a
Eyes
vibe.
red, but I've got no fear. I see the future, it's bright and clear. For my family, I'll persevere. 'Cause I'm trading on
What a vibe.
be free.
What a vibe.
Late nights and hard work, I won't let go. So my love and kids who I found brave the stormy foe. Lonely nights in the city's glow, thinking about the love I left at home. Every trade is a chance I take, working for a happy end, no matter what's at stake. The morning sun, it finds me here.
This ain't a vibe?
Eyes red, but I've got no fear. I see the future is bright and clear. For my family, I'll persevere.
What?
Cause I'm trading on high risk to feed my family.
What?
Feed my family. Paying off debts, fighting to be free. Late nights and hard work, I won't let go. Won't let go. My love and kids who I found brave the stormy foe.
Wow.
My love and kids who I found brave the stormy foe.
Whoa. That one goes out to your favorite trade of all time here on 99442233 Radio. Yeah. Holy. What a song. That's the TT anthem. Should we play it again? Let's play it again. Yo, tell me that song don't cook. Tell me that song don't cook. Share the song? Yo, I don't even know how we share this song, man. I'll email it to you. Yeah, that is, we're looking here at TTE Radio. Shout out to all my traders out there. Living the good life on this Thursday. Shout out to Hero of the Day. Put that, he surely is the hero. Copyright it? Yeah. That's all, you know, that's all AI generated. Can you join the Clubhouse if you don't live in America? Of course. Look at all these lovely people from all over the world here in the Clubhouse today. We worldwide. George. Yeah, I heard even if you show up to London session, you might get a karaoke session from George VDM. Sells are most valid? Yeah, they are. Yeah, so this 4-hour candle is going to close here in 1 minute. So let's see how the candle, 1 hour here. But the 1 hour candle is going to close. 30 closures are coming up here as well. And then we have 9:15, 9:30 creeping on up. What app do we use? I'm not too sure. That's our producer, Hero of the Day. You gotta ask him. Nah, that song's a vibe. If you don't like that song, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you, man. I'm going high risk to feed my family. Sounded like Billy Carrington. You want to see a noise pullback? Me too. Why chat spam so much? They're excited, man. They're excited. They're living. They're alive. You know what I mean? They're excited to be here. They're excited to interact. They're pumped up about the music. You know, why else, man? Why else? What time's NFP? Oh, NFP is on Friday. Friday, wrong day. Tomorrow's NFP. So, NFP will take place in 23.5 hours. This one's called Trading Dreams. Oh yeah, you missed the song. Just in case you missed it, let's replay it. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. All right, so we got a big move down here. We did get a closure here below the range. 31-hour closures all look good. Very little to no bottom wick here. So we're going to need a bit of a top wick here first before we can look to enter anything. You do have a clean range coming down. The 15-minute chart also closed below the range here. Let me just see. Maybe we didn't. Maybe we did and close below the range here. Interesting. Yeah, so we need a steep top wick because we got like very little to no bottom wick on this candle. So in order for me to take this, gonna need a top wick at least coming up towards this zone here, and then on the break of the lows, may have a sell stop there. You guys want to hear the song again? All right. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. We'll play it on the outro. How about that? Green. Hey, Green, is that your first time hearing the song or what? Who could relate to that song? Anyone? Trading on high stakes in the dead of the night. I'm chasing dreams with numbers on the screen. Hoping this gamble brings a life serene. Every trader. Green, did you approve or what? Do we get the MG approval for the song, for the outro, or what we doing? What we doing? Cheapest funding account? I have no idea, but it's probably like a 10K account with probably any company. Probably their 10K is or 5K. I think it'd probably be the cheapest. So I'm not too sure. I've never looked. Never looked at it. Yesterday's outro. What was yesterday's outro? I can't remember. Banger. Yeah, everyone. Yeah, see, everyone in the Clubhouse likes the song. Cheapest route is top step 50K, 49.99 until you pass. So not bad. So maybe that one. I think there's like 10 5K accounts you can get for super cheap too, but try and do the best you can to walk away from the, you know, what's the cheapest. You know, I think the better question is what is the best like what's the best value, right? Is it 50K? Is it whatever? And then it's like, how do I make enough money to afford that? Chief Joseph in the building. What up, Chief Joseph? Where can we get the song? I don't know if you can get the song, to be honest. I have no idea. Hero of the Day might be able to send it in the chat. I'm not sure. Mavin has 5K for like 40 bucks. Oh, damn. So if you're going to get that, you might as well just get Top Step. Well, actually, Mavin probably doesn't charge you monthly, I'm sure. Yeah, but you only get charged monthly while you're in the actual combine phase. So once you pass, you're good. What's up, Spidey? Shoot. There you go. Hero of the Day. His price is 1 Bitcoin for a download. So you gotta take that up with him. Either way, I'm cool with it. I get 30% commissions on all sales, right, Hero of the Day? I need that Bitcoin right now. Me trying to dollar cost in. Yeah, I agree, Brooks. I agree. Drop your Netflix. There you go. Drop your Netflix and your Disney account and get yourself a combine. Easy peasy, man. Successful people find a way to win. They always find a way to win. Broke people always find an excuse to why they can't win. So be the winner. You know, be the one that finds ways to win finds ways around it. Whether you got to go above it, below it, or through it, the entrepreneur does whatever it takes. I had someone make me an AI song that actually came out pretty good. Dude, this song came out actually really good. Like, not gonna lie, it's a good song. I might play this in the car later. Start jamming out. Diogo, you play? Diogo's gonna play that. What up, Zoomers? What up, Clubhouse? How you guys feeling? Did you guys get some rest? You guys rested up? I think I'm good, man. I slept pretty good. We ended up hitting a little pip and dip trade at 3:30 a.m. right here. This move right here. Or I'm sorry, 3 a.m. So we were done by 3:30, man. I just took a shower and went to sleep, and I am well rested. I could do this all day. Yes, I'm not even going to have a sell stop or anything here. Just don't like this. So just going to wait. This candle closed like no wick here. Plus we're getting a new 4-hour. So we might have like a 4-hour celery play going on. Or if this candle ends up pushing up here, then you've got a 4-hour fake out. So we got to wait here like oh wait, the 4-hour opened? No. 53 minutes. There we go. Yeah, 53 minutes for the 4-hour closure. We're still in the range here, gang. I wouldn't consider that a closure below, to be honest. That doesn't really, there's no bottom wick there. So ideally what I'm looking for now is if we can get a new candle. So let's say that candle here closes bullish, and then we get a new candle that closes below. I like the sells now. All right, ideally some sort of a random spike up, and then a drive down here would be awesome. Yeah. Is the Clubhouse free? No, there's a fee. It's you can go on the website. Oh, Johnny Gems is pulling up. You can go on the website, check everything out there. Johnny Gems is awakened. Let's go. What's up, Joseph? Welcome in, brother. Welcome in. Find me in the club. Probably struggling with the previous daily lows. Yeah, it is. Yep. Yep. So we broke the lows, but will we continue? So we already filled the wick. This candle has really already done its job, right? Yeah, we can continue down to support. That's why I'm open to taking sells in that range, but the candle has filled the wick. It's served its purpose, and it may decide to start pulling back here. So we'll see. I'm still open for buys just as much as sells, but not going to take any sells here with that candle closing without a wick there. I'm in and on high risk. Feed my family. Can't find it on Spotify. I don't know how to find it. I guess you got to pay Hero of the Day at 1 Bitcoin. If the current 4-hour futures candle closes below, but still as a celery, but still as a celery bullish candle, your bias will be bullish or bearish. Okay, so he's asking if this 4-hour candle closes bullish, but I believe what you're asking is it as long as it's below the range, right? Like this? Is this gold? Yes, this is gold. Yep. I think that's the example. The question is, right? If this 4-hour, yeah, okay, cool. Yeah, so I'm still bearish, right? I'm still going to be open for buys and sells. I may be, so you see how I have fake out for sells here? So that's where I may be open, because a lot of times what you'll notice is price is going to do something like this, right? So we'll chill in the range, and then all of a sudden now the 4-hour high is sitting there. So what I'll do now is, because that 4-hour closed bullish, right, and we're already here at these daily lows, the daily candle did what it was supposed to do, blah 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 blah. Now I'll switch my bias here. So instead of looking for fake outs, I'll actually look for closures above. So I'll look for a buys above here, knowing that if we do close above during high times of volume, number one, not only are we breaking the current 4-hour high, but we're also, again, high volume coming in, we should be able to fill the wick. So that's where I'll adjust my bias here in this zone, is if this 4-hour candle closes bullish, then we may be open to taking buys and getting that bullish bias a little earlier than we would. And I would keep sells below here, you know what I mean? Because you'd have break of the 4-hour lows below here, break of the 4-hour highs above here, and that would put us in a pretty good position. Put us in a predicament. Dump some bags into BTC. Yeah, I think you might come down a little bit more, but you should probably fill those bags up here pretty soon. Let me go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin. I don't think I've gotten the word yet, but yeah, so for me, once we dip back into this zone here, that's why I'm going to add more bags, probably put like another like 15,000 in Bitcoin. Yeah, we could expect a bull run here pretty soon. Yeah. It might be like a little bit of a longer process to get back going, because there's a lot of stuff going on. But as you guys know, I've done fairly well here with my Bitcoin holdings. I've paid a lot of information or a lot of money for the right information, and it's served me well, served me very well here. So bull run was really, really amazing back in 2020, and pretty much skated out of Bitcoin for the most part, especially Ted, man. Ted was, you guys remember Uncle Ted? That dude, he couldn't have been more spot on. When he said, yo, sell your Bitcoin now, I actually listened to him. And that whole dump off happened right after that. So where a lot of my friends held, and some of my friends, their holdings went from like 3 million all the way down to like under 1 million, right? So I know you're like, oh, poor them, right? But yeah, it went all the way down like under like $500,000, and they kept holding, but they regretted holding a little bit. You know, they was like, it's okay because we got some like skin in the game and survived the bearish run there, but they could have easily popped out, took their profits, and literally settled in and waited for the next bull run. So that's a lesson that some of these guys learned that I know. But yeah, I got the call to enter back in around September of last year. And yeah, man, I couldn't have asked for a better time to get involved. Some of you guys remember when we pulled profits here on BTC? It was the perfect pull, man. It was so happy with the performance of Bitcoin here over the last couple years. Yeah, and then we'll see if we get back in. I've got this zone highlighted. This is more entries for me. More dollars go to work once we get in that zone. Ted was, yeah, very gifted, man. He called the drop on Bitcoin. He really did. I think that was here in 2021. Called that drop, man. He called it. Can't even lie. But yeah, I personally like below 57, 56, somewhere anywhere between 55 and 50 is a pretty good next buy-in price, if you ask me. That's what the boys are looking at, so that's what I'm looking at, and yeah, we'll see. Yep. Uncle Ted's knowledge on gold, yeah, he's had a lot of knowledge there. Definitely. Yeah, Bitcoin, a lot of like my Bitcoin holdings, I'm really not going to touch. I'm just going to sit tight. I want to use them in the future for the hedge fund as well. So looking to run up like millions of dollars in Bitcoin and then see if we can use that, leverage it, and put it into other traders' hands when we start our hedge fund. Is the Clubhouse for beginners? Yeah, Clubhouse for beginners or advanced. Clubhouse just a perfect place to associate with the right group of people, whether you're a new trader, whether you're an experienced trader. I think both sides of the coin work pretty well in the Clubhouse. Bitcoin to 1 million. Holy. Yeah, Bitcoin gets to 100K. We're chilling. Until then, we eat McDonald's Happy Meals. And be happy, boys. Where the Bull Run boys at? What's up, Cannon? Good to see you, brother. Some of y'all just gotta be happy with Happy Meals. It's called Happy Meal. Why are you all upset? Let your Bitcoin run. Don't worry, you'll be eating steak in the future. Steaks could wait. Alright, I told Anna, honey, it's McDonald's and Wendy's until Bitcoin hits 100K, baby. And then once that happens, we're rolling in it. We're rolling in it. Coffee Zealot, yeah, they made some crazy videos, man. Crazy videos. Be happy with the Happy Meal, dang it. Imagine you can't even get happy when eating a Happy Meal. Damn. Cap, I eat steak every night. All right, yeah, you're right. But once we get back to 50, I told Anna, honey, I love you. You're amazing. But we're going to be eating McDonald's here for a little bit. I'm putting all the money in Bitcoin. She said, I don't want you to do that, Nick. I said, oh, well, I'm doing it. No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. Yeah. No stakes. No stakes once we get below 50. Hey, even my friend, he actually moved out of his house and everything. He wanted to become super liquid for this drop here to, yeah, he's living in a abandoned barn now. He's a millionaire. No, I'm just kidding. He got rid of his house, got a new condo, and he's setting things up because he wants to be liquid. Highly recommend you guys get liquid. Some of you guys are like, what's liquid? Hey, I remember I was reading that book by Tony Robbins, Money. You guys ever read that book? Money, what's it called? It's a big book. Money, the rules of the game or something like that. Gang, at a certain point in like chapter 3, I'm like, I don't have enough money to keep reading this book. Like, it doesn't make sense. I'm too poor to continue on. So I had to stop the book. Talk about, hey, here's what to do with the money now. I'm like, oh, yeah, I'm not at that step yet. No lie. It's like, let me put this down and reread the Slight Edge. Everyone give the stream a like. Yeah, word. That sounds like a great idea. Give the stream a like here. That's very true, Jules. I am just kidding, everyone. This is not an endorsement to go to McDonald's. I would never eat McDonald's ever again in my lifetime. Unless it may be like the last food on the planet. Other than that, I would not touch it. I wouldn't recommend it. Unless you're diving into Bitcoin pretty heavy, then, you know, do what you gotta do. There's always Wendy's. No, I'm just kidding. There's always the 4 for 4. Right? They still got that? No, I think it's 5 for 5 now, right? They said, nah, it's 5 for 5. Or 5 for 4. What? Inflation, G. Louis G, no. Don't leave us. Where's gold? Gold is right here. So 4 hour creeping back up here now. Purchased an account yesterday. I risked 1%. I'm down 1%. Currently fear of drawdown. What should I do? You should no longer fear drawdown, my friend. I'm in drawdown, like 200 bucks here. Drawdown's light, man. It's part of the game. It is what it is. Price, your P&L will fluctuate. Your P&L will fluctuate. Don't worry about drawdown. Just keep executing. Yeah, take that word. That word is like a curse word. You see that word, that F word? You're using the F word too much. Fear. Fear. I won't say that around my children, but yeah, you should. Don't use that F word too much, man. Sheesh, I don't even think I touched McDonald's in the UK. We do a little Wawa. See, Melly? I'm so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities through multiple sources of on a continuous basis. Hey, you spelt it wrong, David. You messed me up there, man. What up, David? How you feeling, man? F like Fiji? Yeah, exactly. Some of you guys are more BTC like equipped than I am. I don't know much. Me no speak English. I have good network that really is into crypto, so I rely on that network. What happened with the gold cells? My Wi-Fi cut out. Yo, that's crazy. Scott's Wi-Fi cut out during that trade too yesterday. Yeah, we took a beauty there yesterday. Where was that? Was that this one here? Yeah, yesterday's trade was amazing. Where was that? Where was that trade? Have I seen the newest crumble cookie that gets 1.1k calories? Oh my god. I'm actually not touching. You guys seen that cookie I had the other day? I ain't touching crumble for like 6 months now. I'm good. It's satisfied my my craving. I threw my blue light glass. Yo, I would not want to get in the way of Ecom Dre getting mad, bro. I'll be honest. Man, through them blue lights, I could just picture that. Just smash them at the wall. And then Ecom Dre's mad strong. And then all of a sudden, the glasses don't even break. Makes him even more mad. Just walks over to him and just cracks him. And then proceeds to go on Amazon to order a new pair. Man, cools down like 25 minutes later. Like, why did I do that? Yeah, where was that sell at? That was this one here, right? That was a 30-minute time frame. I think that was right. This was 9:30, 10:30. Where was it, gang? Hold on. I'm talking about high risk to feed my family. Yeah, that was last night. Okay, here it is. Yeah, so this was the trade. Wait, no, that wasn't it, right? Yesterday we took buys. Thought we took sells. I don't even know, gang. I don't even know what day it is. I barely know what session it is. I don't know, man. Traders just trade. I haven't even filled out my... I promise I'll get all this filled out. Don't worry. I put all the screenshots, so I got all the trades. But yeah, I don't even know where I am right now, to be honest. Where are we? The session's literally... I don't even know what time it is anymore. I just know what session we're in. What time is it? Asian session. What? Yeah, I don't know. these sells. Yeah. Not yesterday was at 9:30. Time to eat. What up, JR Plunder? What's good? I'm lost in the sauce. Do I got anything to read? Absolutely. I'm almost done. I'm reading a book a week. So I'll have this book done by tomorrow. Yes, sir. I'm a book a week type of guy. Cells loading. Yeah, maybe. Maybe 4-hour closure here pretty soon. 30-minute kind of rejecting that area. We'll see. This is a no trade range pretty much. So we had a fake out, right? And then we got back in this no trade range, and then we've just been chopping around in there. Oh, like a phrase. Oh, a phrase? Not really. Not really. Yeah. I have scriptures that I go to every day. You can call those phrases in a way, but much more powerful than a phrase. Did I take trades in Asian and London? I did. We took so we took the celery in, where is it? Right here. So we took this position right here. So we had clean range to the left, right? This clean range here. We had candles closing below the range here, so we took a sell, or I took a sell right there on the break of those lows. Price came down and then popped us out, stopped us out, and then just proceeded to move down. So that was the trade that I took. It looks like a bunch of other traders took that as well. So those sells right there. This candle ended up coming back up and just stopping me out. And then the other sell was a little bit later, which was right here, London Open. So it took a sell on the break of this low right here. Boom. As we got a fake out, candle closing back in the range here. And then, yeah, just took profits down here, and that was the day. Those are my 2 trades so far today in London. I don't think Asian. Yeah, we didn't take anything. Did we take? No, we didn't take anything in Asian last night. Yeah, that was it. That was it. And now we wait. Now we're waiting on New York trades. Nick hit the tune, Jesus Walks With Me, and that was it. We were out of there. See ya. Yeah, a lot of you guys took this trade. I really did like this trade here. So if you got a loss, who cares? You know, you executed on the right trade, and it lost. Get used to it. Happens. Happens, and it happens all the time. So if you're gonna trade, and if you're gonna be a trader, you know, and you're gonna do this long term, and you know, live the life you plan, well, then you're gonna have to just get used to it. Got smoked by the wick on the 15 in Asian. Are you talking about this one? 15, this one here? Or this one here? This one's the one that got me. Yeah, it doesn't look too big, right? But if you kind of look at it like this way, you'll see it just randomly came up, stopped us out, and then just drove back down, and then this candle like literally tapped target. Let's go Jesus. Amen. Jesus mission. Jesus mission here for all my believers. This is the Great Commission. Everyone just doesn't know it yet. But we are fulfilling the Great Commission here on the YouTube live stream and in the Clubhouse. It's disguised by this trading thing, but we will fulfill it. We will work towards it, and we will press on, right? Do we stream London live? Yes. Asian, London, and New York. Asian, London, and New York. Do we have some competition results? I believe we do, actually. I think Bryson sent some over here. Let's take a look. We got 9:30 here. Oh, I didn't even see this. We got a closure here. So, candle closed with no top wick. 15-minute candle actually doesn't look bad here. This range is about 60 pips. So, we might be able to fade here. If we can go up and break the high one more time, I like the potential impulse entry here. Candles closing with no top wick. The 4-hour trying to close, maybe trying to close below. So we'll see what happens. We have to break the high first because I don't want this low to break. We get activated, and then that 4-hour decides to push up and close above the range here. That'll put us in some trouble there. So let's see if we can kind of break the high, make our way up, and then potential sell stops on the break of the lows there. Yeah, we're selling back into the range, right? So keep that in mind. Go like a little bit lower contracts. But yeah, I'm gonna have a sell stop here, and I'm gonna keep a pretty tight stop loss. So my stop is gonna be wherever this high is at, which currently is about 29 pips. Yeah, it looks good off the 15 as well here. On YouTube, no, we do it in Clubhouse. So we do it in on Zoom. Yeah. Can you cook? I can cook Elio's pizza, pretty good. I can cook waffles. Those are some of my specialties. I'm pretty nice at cooking eggs. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, I can cook. I'm all right at cooking. I cook steaks and eggs. That's about it. What up, John?
How you doing?
How you doing, Johnny? Oh,
What's up, brother?
let's not do host yet. How are you, man?
It's good. I'm
How are
doing great,
you?
brother.
How are you?
Blessed and highly favored. How you doing?
Same, dude. Same. Incredible. Good to have you here.
It's good to be here, brother. Let's get it.
Yeah.
What's good? What's good, chat? Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Another day to follow the plan and be patient and disciplined. Let's go.
Yes, sir. All right, so this trade probably gonna have like, if we do get activated, it'll look something like this, where stops will be pretty tight, TP will be kind of down here, this will be my partials and all that good stuff. And if it runs down to this other level here. But yeah, that'll be my idea if we do get activated. If we don't get activated within 10-15 minutes, then we may have to settle in and wait for the 4-hour plus the news that's coming out here. $9.33. Yeah, we're anticipating here a potential fake out, right? Because what do we know about candles that close without a top wick, right? There's a low chance that the next candle will drive. So if this candle can close something like this, then that should set 9.45 up to continue ripping down, right? So that's what we're kind of potentially anticipating here. I actually cook steaks really good now, and that's all I really cook: steak, ground beef, and eggs.
That's all you need, bro, honestly.
That's all we need.
I feel the best when I'm just eating ground beef, steak, and eggs.
Yeah. What up, Ty Hill? What's good? What's good?
Morning. What's up, chat? It's good. Ecom Dre. Poppin'.
My sell stop is at the break of the 15 and 30 lows, so right below the wick there.
Got lights fire. Big blessings. Some J-Mac.
Big blessings.
Yeah. No, I like the low. It's the entry.
Yeah. Now look, we'll have some more information when the 4-hour closes, but that's not for 24 minutes. So this is the information that we do have currently. So we got to go based off that. And if you don't like this trade, just wait for news to come out. What's up, Anthony? What's good? What's good?
What's up, Anthony? What's up, YOLO Trader?
I'm calling on high risk to feed my family.
What are you going, one lot?
One lot, yeah.
Yeah, same.
Yeah, if we had a closure on the 4 hour, I would probably go a little bigger. But by the way, I'm only allowed to use like 3 lots until I build up 1,500 on the buffer here. How much time is the news? 24 minutes from now.
We got an orange folder too, or orange folder at 9:45?
I think it was red. Yeah, red folder. Yeah, orange at 9:45, red at 10.
Red.
Yep. Do I ever do carnivore? Yeah, I have a carnivore-ish diet. So not carnivore, not like fully carnivore, but carnivore-ish. To where I'll still eat carbs, I'll still eat rice, things like that. But all my meals are centered around some sort of like whole food diet. Give me 1 sec. Be right back.
What's up, TK? What's up, C Melly? Yeah, it was good chat. How's everyone doing? What a wonderful day it's been. Yeah, good trades in the clubhouse, y'all. Those London sales were fire. Can't lie. Doing great, doing great. Yeah, how you guys taking any trades? How's your guys' day been so far? Any pre-NY action or nothing? What's up, Sly? Buzz Blab, what's up, brother? It's been great, brother. How you doing? Where am I from? I'm from the United States of America in New York. Yeah. 3 wins. Or 2 wins, 1 loss. Nice, bro. What's up, Sebastian? Yeah, same here, bro. The best trading journal you recommend? I mean, any type of trading journal is great. I mean, I would say TradeZella. I think they have the best, trading journal. Or you could use the spreadsheet we use, but any type of journaling, tracking your trades, getting data is amazing. Yo, Rofi, I'm in Florida now, bro. Maybe when I come back to New York. Where are you at in New York? I just started journaling. I've noticed I am literally a 50% win rate. I gotta fix it. Journaling really puts everything into perspective. It really does. It really, makes us understand our problems here and know what we can, work to fix on. Journaling, you tracking your trades equals data, and data equals feedback. So the more feedback we can get on what we can improve on, the better. Bring on the lessons, Yeah, so I'm activated. I'm activated here. We got 5 minutes for a 15 closure. Should have some volume here with 940, 930.
Should we play a song? Yeah, we might build a different trading journal. Yep. Yeah, we're actually working on that. We got some stuff going on with that. High risk. Yeah. Anytime you hear that song, you know the vibes. You know the vibes. Yeah, we got news coming in here, so price can go any which way. Right? So we gotta be careful here on the front end of news. Should be good though. Candle closed without a wick. Keep in mind the 1 hour candle is still open though. So that 1 hour candle is still open. It could do anything. We've got a lot of volume here at 9:30. So we'll see. Play the song. This is my prop challenge. Yeah, I think you can trade news with these guys. Yep. Pretty sure. News in 4 minutes. Yep, we got news coming in 4 minutes. So not sure if we're going to push up or push down, but I've got my risk. I know what I'm looking to risk here, and we'll see. Am I in? Yeah, I'm in. Yep. Yep, we got news in 2 minutes. So let's see where we go. 9:30 push. We're either hitting stops or we're hitting TP pretty quickly here in the next couple minutes.
Yep. What's up, Xander?
Xander.
We got 1 minute. 2 minutes.
Am I trading gold today? Yes, every day. Every day I trade gold pretty much. Mavericks up. We got some volume. We got some kids up. The boys are up.
Oh, yeah?
Lele's still sleeping. That's right. When Lele's still sleeping, the boys come in clutch.
Yeah, we need a resistance here on the 15-minute. That would be lovely.
Yep. Yeah, we are anticipating this fake out. We're anticipating that this 4 hour closure will happen more so below the range and not be a fake out. So we're anticipating a little bit of that. 1 hour still never closed above this range. We've had a lot of problems getting back in here. 30-minute close with no top wick. So we're anticipating this could potentially close back below. And same deal with the 15-minute. No wicks on these candles. So we are selling back in the range. It is like a, let's see, 60 pip range. So it's tradable, but I am going only one contract here just because we are kind of coming back into that range. So yeah. All right, so we got some news coming. Let's see where we go. So far, it's a dud. All right, let's see. 4 hours still bearish. Daily still pretty bearish here. Although we did fill the wick. We'll see where we want to go next. Yeah, we got bigger news coming at 10 a.m. Much bigger news. You're going to hold through the red folder? Unless we hit this support first. So either the red folder or support, pretty much, or stops. Stops are very tight here. They're like super tight above this previous candle high.
Yeah.
No need to have big stops here.
See it, Goldie.
Just anticipation? Yeah, pretty much. Yep, just anticipating the volume here at 9:30 if we're bearish on the higher time frames to potentially give us somewhat of a fake out and then drive back down the range with this candle closing with no top wick, but we'll see. We'll see. 1 hour still open, so that could hurt us here. News just came out, so that can throw us around a little bit, so that's why I'm risking one contract and ready for a win or a loss here.
Completely random outcome here.
Completely random. If you don't like it, now's your time to skate out of here at break even. And we'll just wait. Just wait on it.
Just wait on it. Yeah, I mean, second half of 9:30 volume here.
Really would love to see that 30 low break again. It's 30-minute low. That'd be great.
Can we break it?
Yeah, I think for me, break even would be somewhere around this range here.
65.
Yeah, 65, 66-ish. Yeah, right there. Closed, nice. Yeah, if you don't like it, you can close, go break even, whatever you like. So 9:30 here, we got the volume. Will we push here is the question.
See it for the last 10 minutes, 30 close.
Yep. Yeah, I'm probably going to go break even now that we're just struggling a little bit here. So going to go break even on the trade, take all the risk off. So BE, and now we'll see if we can get down to partials. Nice. Nice. So you got 19 pips right there. So it's up to you guys if you want to do anything with that. I think I'm just going to hold it. See if we can push through here. Yeah, a lot of that had to do with no top wick. Yup, all that good stuff. Yeah, you also got 9 minutes here for the closure of the 4-hour candle. So we'll see if we can get a quick push down and skate out of here. Just watching the fade for now. Good idea, Xander. Good idea. Full margin? If there was a trade, it would have been this one. Yeah, we're struggling. I'm going to close full here before news. Yeah, close full at 16 pips. Yeah, we'll let news come out, do its thing. We're struggling in this zone here, so it's fine. Now that I've closed, we should just drive straight down into 82 partials.
I just closed full as well.
Very good, very good. 19, 20 pips ish. I think I got, yeah, like maybe like 19, 17, something like that. So yeah, nice one before news. And now we wait. Close full too. Nice ecom, Dre. Nice, nice. Yeah, it might drive here. It might drive. You got 7 minutes left on the candle. The only thing is we're approaching that new that 4-hour close. We're approaching that news. So we had 20 in the bank right there. Struggling a little bit. And at 9:30, you shouldn't really struggle like that. So yeah.
I can agree with you, bro. Definitely. Take some green.
Yeah, we'll take it.
With those conditions.
How to close partials with one contract? You can't. My bad. I forgot I had one contract. Could close partials here.
Yeah. There's...
9 times out of 10 when I close, it drives. I should have waited for you to close first.
It's all good. I can't be tangled.
Nope. Because the 4-hour closure approaching is what's getting a little shaky here. Plus, obviously, the red folder coming in. So, yeah.
And you rather be safe than sorry, you know, especially in the markets and uncertain environment. Rather be safe than sorry.
Yep, I agree. And plus, we're selling it back into that range. You know what I mean? Yeah, good.
Also, we got the 4-hour closure in 6 minutes too.
Let's leave this. Let's see if we would have hit B. We would have hit B. Perfect. Great management. Great management.
Yeah, I probably would have held till like 64, 63 too. I probably wouldn't have closed anything.
Yes, sir. Good trade. Party time.
Out on Wall Street, the lights are glowing bright.
Out on Wall Street. My big hopes and dreams of Wall Street. Yeah, we would hit B on that. Yeah, good management for those of you guys that close. Some of you guys got out of break even. Not a big deal at all. Don't stress it. Mute every time the song plays. How do you know when we stop playing it then?
So that's a great song, honestly. We were jamming to that in the Clubhouse last night.
In the dead of night, I'm chasing dreams with numbers on a screen, hoping this gamble brings.
I hope you heard that. I hope you heard that. Can you tell me how many pips that 930? Hold on, that NAS 930 candle. Oh my god! I don't even want to. Let's take a look. Rob fades. Holy! She's running.
Which candle?
Oh, wow.
Damn. Oh, NASDAQ. Sheesh.
Yeah, dude. I think this is 395 ticks. So I don't know if that's considered like 39 pips or whatever, but yeah. Holy! What a move. Nas is dangerous.
A nice inverted.
Yeah.
That was that inverted seller on the NASDAQ.
This was gas. Yeah, break of the low. That's exactly what you want to see. So these are really the best confluences for the fade. Candle with no wick, right at support. Little dud candle, another little dud candle, little break of the lows, volume coming in, entry on the break of the high. That's the way it works best. From all my sample sizing, I realized that this 3 candle pattern, whatever the heck you want to say or call it, that's what you want to see. Take a picture of that. When you see that in a zone like this, right, where you're coming into that strong support, volume coming in, that's your entry, break of the highs there. That's what's worked best for us on the fade. Yeah, anytime we took it where just like we got one confluence, sometimes those ones don't work. That little 3 candle pattern right there is money. Money, money, money. Yeah, we've invented this position here.
The weak candle, the candle's closing weaker and weaker right at support, and then the next candle just a juice box.
Yeah, ideally on the 15 too is where it works really good. What pair am I in? Right now I'm in NASDAQ. So now I will switch back over to gold. Should I just leave the watermark?
I took mine off.
I don't know, man. I don't know how I feel about the watermark.
You know what that reminds me of? Raja Bank's simulations or live streams. Yeah.
Yeah, the old school, old Raja streams. I don't know. It's weird.
Bro.
It's like right in the middle. I don't know where to put it. He wasn't ready.
You can make it higher. Really,
oh, you can make it
C-Melly?
higher? I didn't know that. Where?
Damn, top. You can do anything with Top Step.
No, he said lighter, not higher, didn't he?
Oh.
You can make it lighter.
Oh, sorry.
Watermark. What are we at? 25? All right, that looks perfect. No, I'm just kidding. What if we did this?
Let's take it off.
Quakers will be talking about I got glaucoma, Nick. I can't see that. You think you can make the watermark brighter? No. Yes, sir, Sebastian. Yes, sir. That's right.
Atta boy.
Remember, we're like the casino. When you have a high probability system, it acts as the casino. We'll always get the money back. Always. Casinos will let you come in, they'll let you win some hands, but they know the longer you play, the more odds they have at getting the money back. And our system is like the trading casino in their system. Only we're not the gambler, right? We are the casino. So if we lose some money, we lose some hands, that's all right. We'll get it right back.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Can I make it a little bit? Oh, of course, Scott. Anything for you, brother. Anything for you. Let's make it a smidge bit brighter. Just a smidge. So we're at 3%. Let's go 5. No, that's too much. Let's go. How's 10? How's 10 for you, Scott? Is that all right? Or 100?
Scotty boy. Oh.
Yeehaw.
Damn. What a gap. Hopefully you guys take profits.
Target tapped. Good night.
Yeah. Clubhouse.
Oh, look at that. Formed a wick without even forming a wick. Look at all this volatility. Damn.
And that was another reason with being aggressive with our closing in that last trade.
We would have
It's
got
just
beat
news,
there
though.
anyway. How you doing?
Yeah.
Hey, even if we did hold it until like a second before news, we would have got tapped out. Tell him to bring me my money. Lovely. So target tapped pretty much on the decimal there. What were we looking at? We were looking at these targets here. Yeah, right here. Perfect. All right, great read.
That was a 4-hour close too.
That was the open of the 4-hour candle. Sheesh.
Sheesh.
4-hour did close bullish, but below the range there too. So yeah, congrats to everyone who made some money today. You're welcome. You're welcome, Zoomers. It's not me. You guys are here. You guys know the moves too. Let's see what we got here. We got oh, what's this? Gold versus dollar. What is it? What are we looking at? Spread? Oh yeah, spreads are probably ridiculous right now. This is why you don't want to trade news. Is that what you're trying to show me? The spread? Yeah, that's another reason to stay away from news.
Yeah.
We have officially scammed you all once again and added some money to your trading account. We highly recommend you don't spend it all in one place. Enjoy the profits. 109 pips.
Me and Nick will meet you at the bank.
Yes, we will. Ecom Dre must have just got out of this position. Yeah, so that's the reason why I wanted to skate out of there before the news there, because that could have went any way. Just happened to go down. W dropout trader. Yes, sir. We got a lot of independent future 8-figure traders here, man.
Dropout trader? Yes, sir, we do. The best thing is everyone's understanding what's happening in the markets. That's the best thing.
Yep. This man, C. Melly, got a tea time, man.
Damn.
Jealous.
Damn, C. Melly, I thought I was going to see you later.
He's like, yeah, later, like like Asian later.
Nah, word, bro. Enjoy that tea time. Yeah, we're in PMN IFCO. We might have to bump it up to 9-figure trader.
Bro, how am I supposed to keep up with C. Melly? He plays. He's playing 3 times a week. 3 times a week.
I don't know. But we need to go golfing like every weekend until he gets here so we can practice.
Word, especially we want to keep up with him. Oh,
yeah, I'm trying to beat him.
You know what? I'm gonna set a new goal, gang. I will beat C. Melly in golf. I will get it. I don't care if it takes me 10 years. I will stay consistent.
Facts. Got to start training for him. Word, J-Mac. Who does this guy think he is, calling trades and giving free knowledge and wisdom?
Me no speak it English.
Who does this guy think he is? President of the country?
President of TTE.
Yeah.
I remember all the mods would call me president. I wasn't too sure how I felt about that. My president. I'm like, I don't know about that. I'm not sure you want me to be your president.
What would you say? Like CEO, right?
Nah, just a regular kid from Rockland County, New York, with a dream and a goal, a love for people, and a desire to live the greatest life possible. That's who I am. Just another random kid. No better than you.
You're just a spiritual being who has time, energy, and attention.
I'm just a spiritual being having a human experience. That's all.
A spiritual being saved by grace who has time, energy, and attention.
I got my thoughts lining up with my words, and my words lining up with my actions, and that seems to get me where I want to be time and time again. Yes, I'm the prime minister now. Dixie ripping, huh? Let's take a look at the Dixie here. Let's open it up on the other chart. Let's take a look at a few pairs here. Let's go ahead and look at not my list, the bench. Let's take a look at the bench here. Let's look at the dollar. Okay, so dollar moving down. Let's take a look at the 4 hour here. Oh, dollar moving up. I'm sorry, dollar moving up here. Juicing after the news, so a little consolidation, but mainly moving its way up. Let's take a look at US 30 here. US 30 down and up. US 30 was down, but now it's up. So US 30's trying to finagle something here. I don't really like the sells too much as of right now. You might have a 4 hour fake out potentially. Look at this 4 hour, man. News just lifted everything up. Yeah, let's take a look at do we have ES here? No, I don't think we do. Let me pop this chart up here. Holy, yeah, man, this could potentially fly. How did the news come out? All right, so you got a bunch of mixed news here. But the big one came out green numbers for the dollar there. So, but then you got the PMI coming out pretty much right around forecast, right around expected. Unemployment numbers are up here. So yeah, a bunch of mixed emotions here on the news. What time do we stream Asian? We do that at 8 o'clock p.m. Yeah, 8 p.m. Eastern time is when we start, and then we usually trade Asian till about like 10:30, so like 2.5 hours. And then what we do from there is we settle into London, and London starts up at 1:30 a.m. Eastern. So pre-London, and then we just move and groove, man. Session by session, we build this daily candle. We've been really all over it. Yesterday we took trades in Asian, London, and New York. Today we took 2 in London, 1 in New York. So we've been trading. We've certainly been trading.
Oh yeah. Yeah, hopefully I can see you guys in Asian session. All the sessions are a vibe, but yeah, it's literally, the clubhouse has been awesome. It's like a hangout, you know. It's like your boys' crib, you know. The clubhouse, you go there, all your boys are there, you know. So it's nice.
Yeah.
Boys and girls, sorry.
Boys and girls, yep.
Yeah, so you got all your friends there and stuff. Yeah.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Gnor, appreciate you, man.
Even Asians been giving us some good amount of trades also.
It has. It's been treating us well.
Do you think London has been like the most fun for you?
I think London's been really nice. The one thing I'm really loving about London is it's got almost just as much volume as New York, especially when you got the London Open, but there's no news. So there's not a lot of wicks up and wicks down and all over the place. It's a little bit smoother price action.
Yeah, I agree. It's been nice.
How to make the difference between the 4 hour on futures and the 4 hour on Oanda and stuff? Yeah, you just gotta pick one and commit. That's it. There's no right or wrong. They're both right. I don't know, you know. So you gotta pick one and you gotta just commit to that one and don't look at the other one anymore. Yeah, I mean, sometimes we'll still look at it. There's times where the 4 hours are different, but they're all kind of saying the same thing. So it's tricky. I would try and just focus on one of them though. So don't look at both of them all the time. You'll confuse yourself. Commit to one and that's it. Can I upload the song into Discord? Maybe Hero of the Day can do it. Yeah. I might have to pay him 1 BTC, but maybe he could do it. Maybe he'll be a hero here today for the Time to Eat Discord. Song one more time.
Brings a life serene. Cause I'm
You
trading
have it
on
like ready.
high risk to feed my family. Paying off debts, fighting to be free. Late nights and hard work.
Who wants to carry
Hey,
on?
nights of Hallberg.
I won't let
Let
go.
go.
From my loving kids and wife, I'll brave the stormy flow. Started out broke with a tough past
AI or-
in tow.
Nah. That song's a vibe, man. Chill. I got a
That song
song
is a vibe.
request from one of the traders in the back of the room. If you guys can grab your laptops, bring them up here. Open up your laptop and bring her on up here. Get all your laptops to the dance floor today. Free my
That's
family.
Billy Joe's twin brother.
Huh?
Twin brother trader.
Who?
The guy in the song.
Billy Joe Pips?
Billy Joel
Billy
trader
Joel.
brother.
Yo, time to eat karaoke coming soon.
Next meetup. Maybe for the London meetup. That's
Master.
Project Zero. Sounds good.
Hey, Master's another one like the president thing. I'm like,
Master.
you should not call me Master. Billy Gold Pips. There we go. Feed my family. Early pregnancy. We had to grow.
Early pregnancy, we had to grow.
Damn.
Man. Nah, no buys for me yet. Nah.
Gotta delay that.
I'm too far gone, gang. Pregnancy after pregnancy after pregnancy, we had to grow. What's the plan now? Let's do a fresh top-down analysis. Let's figure out the plan here. So let's go ahead and start back on the daily. Let's talk about this here. So daily time frame is still bearish, right? We have filled the wick. We've pretty much tapped into our targeted zone here now at this point. So keep in mind this daily candle, this daily time frame, I should say, is just ranging, right? That's all we're doing here is we're just in this nasty range. We have created a lower resistance here. So now we're kind of ranging a little bit lower, but that was our target, you know? That's the target for the day. Target's been tapped. Now it's all about what is this candle going to do fluctuation wise for the remainder of the day here. So we're going to figure that out by going to the lower time frames. And let's take a look at the 4 hour again here, because we did have a 4 hour closure. So you did have a 4 hour bullish closure here that could lead to a fake out, right? Look at this candle starting to push up after breaking the lows. We may retest the highs here. So again, you got this 4 hour zone that we may be faking out into. But all in all, you did create support here. There's a resistance up top. If we are pushing up, filling this wick, there's a high chance that we can retest the high there. So let's take a look at what that looks like on the 1 hour. 1 hour, yeah, 1 hour is tough. Let's see, this is your range here. So you got a resistance here. You got support. This candle's crazy candle. Whipsaw candle, broke the lows, broke the highs. I would really wait for this candle to close or at least wait for the 30 to close in about 15 minutes. But all in all, this is kind of like your new range here. So what is above there? That's going to be like a 54 pip range. And then other than that, you're back in this, just this range from earlier today. You can make a claim that maybe you could take sells below there. That might be a little too early, in my opinion, but you do have a wick to fill. So I'd wait for the 30/1 hour closure here before doing anything else. Yeah, we're choppy. We're very choppy today. It's not like we have the cleanest price today, like some other days, but all in all, this is what we got. So, gotta make do with what you got.
Yeah, word. Yeah, I definitely want to stay out of that chop, that range there.
Yeah.
Screw that.
How can I download the song?
And I agree with you, Daily. Yeah, I agree with you with the Daily. Daily pretty much did its job here as well.
Yeah. Boxing match for the Quakers. We'll try and get in the Discord. How about that? 4 hours confused. Yeah, it is. It is. Yeah,
right.
4 hour.
Pretty much breaking lows, breaking highs.
Yeah, looking a bit rough here. This price action today is not the hottest. Let's take a look at NAS here.
Wow, tap that support nice.
Yeah, it did. Wow. Ooh, look at this. Daily coming up on NAS. We have some afternoon trades here on the NASDAQ today. Yeah, gold's very choppy here this afternoon. If it is, we'll come look at NAS. Look at this beautiful range we got here. It's like perfection. Get to the chopper. Bring Uncle Scalp in here. Give you guys a friendly reminder.
We should do a guest appearance with Uncle Scalp.
We'll bring him out. Like, hey, ladies and gentlemen, Uncle Scalp.
Bank calls in, bill stacked high.
What's that, chat?
I stare at those charts, and I can't lie, 'cause I'm trading on high risk to feed my family, paying off debts, fighting to be free. Late nights and hard work, I won't let go of my loving kids who I found brave and strong as bold.
Hey, yo. That's a committed man right there. That's a committed man. That man's committed. He said...
Committed AI.
He said, late nights and hard work, I won't let go.
Facts.
For my loving kids and wife, I'll brave the stormy flow. I don't know what that means, but it sounds good. It sounds good.
Song's starting to itch up my skin.
Some of you guys in chat.
Yeah, remember
not
Uncle
this
Scalp's
damn
laugh?
song again. Remember Uncle? Oh yeah, of course. How could I forget?
Yeah, chat, you guys remember Uncle Scalp's laugh? That was a legendary laugh. Z Gamer, I know you remember. Yeah, Scott, word.
He laughs in caps.
Yeah, George.
Can we make it the background song? Holy. Holy. All right, I wanted to look at S&P here real quick. 4 hour bullish. Yeah. Look at that. Everything kind of popped up, tapped target in like the first, with that news release there. The days of Uncle Scalp, I know. Great times.
Uncle South.
Uncle South.
Uncle South, though.
Uncle South. Good times.
Yep, Alan Forex. Yeah, remember.
You guys know Uncle Scalp was the first elite member ever.
Yeah, word.
Uncle Scalp.
He goes down in the book of history for TT.
He goes down in the TT Hall of Fame, bro.
Yeah.
What up, Spence?
What's up, Spence? It's good, bro. Yeah, bro. I was talking to my auntie and she's swing trading now.
Who?
You talk to your aunt and she's like swing trading.
Previous daily still has no top wick. Previous daily. Yeah, that's true. That's true. I'm actually surprised we haven't made one. It's like an Asian session last night. All right, you guys want the music in the Discord? All right, let me get this figured out here. Music makes me lose control. All right, we got y'all. We got y'all. Let me send it away. Oh, wrong button. Ejectocito. Hey, why can't I send this?
Yo, what's up, Juan? Yo, nice, bro. Way to be disciplined to the rules. Nice rule. Way to protect yourself from yourself.
I won't let
If
go.
you can live to trade for another day, that technically means you survived. You survived the day. You got capital to trade for tomorrow. You can come back tomorrow, execute your edge, and operate like the casino does and make some more money.
All right, you guys are good. New York session. Enjoy the music. Yes, that is the firmament. Yup. All right, there you go. New York session.
I can't believe TFT is still sending me emails.
TFT. Yo, not gonna lie, that song really is a vibe. You guys are jamming? I can't jam because there's a bunch of grumpy Grinches in the chat. I can't chat right now. I can't jam. Just kidding. Just kidding.
Yeah, exactly, Scott.
I'm just trying to vibe.
Yep, exactly, Scott. Yeah, that's exactly why I did that. Blocked it all out.
So did we win this trade? Which one, Bullish FX? Which one, brother? We've won about 10 trades in the last 3 days. Which one are you talking about? Last one, I think we got like 20 pips. 2020, 2020. Oh, 5 pips? Oh, yeah. Let's see. Let's see. No, 20 pips. Ole. Hey, if you guys could give the stream a like here today, that would be awesome. Much appreciated. All right, look at this candle here. Sheesh. 30 candle.
What do you want to do, Goldie?
Maverick. Oh, hi, guys.
Yeah, not the cleanest ranges now. Definitely not. But yeah, exactly, Scott. That like really helps me put my P&L away and help me just focus on the trade, right? Yeah, I don't know if any of you guys else do that in chat. Just block out like the data on the account, your P&L and your balance. Yeah, I like to do that just so I cannot even focus on that, even if I wanted to. Don't even give myself the option to. Just because it's simply part of the formula that good trading has nothing to do with you focusing on the outcome. So that's why I just really don't want to even focus on it. Just want to build good habits, you know, and that's really it. But yeah, I really do like that you can do that on Top Step. That's nice. Yes, exactly, Kenneth. Focus on the next best trade and watch everything else fall in line. Yep. Bob Proctor, everything is already created in your vision, your future being successful. Yep, exactly. Yeah, I mean, that's the best way we can operate, you know, the system is to just focus on the next best trade, right? If we get paid off of a series of trades, and we get paid to execute, then our job is in the execution, right? And our job should just to be focused on the next best trade, right? That we can execute on, because we get paid to execute and we get paid over a series of trades. So when you have that mindset, like, all right, on to the next best trade, what you're doing is executing your edge in a series of trades, and you're executing when it's there. So you're going to get paid to execute. And then over a series of that trade, you know, you'll see the profit, positive expectancy. Yeah, that's always helped me best, right? Simple systems work best. So I had to keep a simple mindset as well. Like, all right, damn, John, I took a loss. Like, what do I do, right? I would go for a walk after a loss and be like, damn, like, what do I do? And it's always comes back to the same answer. On to the next, brother. On to the next best trade, right? Because the technical methodology, what that does is it puts the odds in our favor over a series of trades. So now all we got to do is execute the edge, right? If we execute the edge, we'll get there, because time is our edge, right? Time is our real edge, and we get paid to execute. But yeah, I'm down 5%. What do I do? Focus on the next best trade. I'm up 5%. What do I do? Focus on the next best trade. I took a loss. What do I do? Focus on the next best trade. That's got to be the mindset, right? That's got to be the mindset as a trader, and we got to back those trades up with a probability mindset. Yeah. And then we collect data, do that process of executing, and then we just make the adjustments from the feedback we get, right? Simple systems work best here, y'all. Yeah, bro, it comes right back to that answer every time, right? Because trading, what it will do, we're trading money, you'll lose money, maybe you'll lose a couple hundred, get a little bit in drawdown. So now you're emotional, and you start to think, your emotions start to kick in. But you always got to remind yourself with that logical plan, like, all right, yeah, John, like, you know, it's okay to take losses. Like, that was going to happen. Like, drawdown's part of the game. But you got to focus on the next best trade, right? There's a formula to this that you have to follow, certain steps, right? So that's how I'm thinking about it.
Well said. Spoken like a true pro at 19 years old.
Thank you, bro. Hey, bro, you're my mentor, G. So thank you.
Thank God.
Thank God, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, if making money is a byproduct of learning the skill, then what should you focus on? The money or learning the skill? It's that simple. It's a very simple equation. The problem is most of you guys are too greedy. You're too money hungry. You chase money. That's why it runs from you.
Yes, sir. Neediness repels money, y'all. You chase something because you can't catch it. It's time to attract it. It's time to become the person to attract it.
Trade with a chart, not your heart.
Right,
I like that.
Hey.
John gets me fired up too.
Let's go. I remember what Jim Rohn said too. He said, make a goal to be a millionaire for what it takes you to become the millionaire. So set a goal to become a millionaire for what it takes you to become the millionaire. So it's not about the $1 million, right? Don't set a goal to make $1 million. Set a goal to become the millionaire. Become the person who is that millionaire, who is making $1 million. And then he said, once you have $1 million, give it all away, because it's not about what you got, it's about the person you became. So the goals we set these goals to become this type of person that you want to be, right? The monetary, outcome of it doesn't matter. It's more so the person you're becoming.
What up, Hank? What's good? What's good? Stop Googling quotes. Shut up, Stephen A.I. Smith. Get a better name.
Stephen A. Smith?
Think of a better name than that.
Yo, worry, bro.
Come up in here talking about stop Googling quotes.
I was going to say
Google
Stephen
you.
A. Smith in the chat.
Google you. Just kidding, brother. I love you. I love you. You're the man.
Nah,
bro.
brother,
You're the
that's actually a podcast I was listening to.
man. Yeah.
Yep.
Oi. What up, Hank? How you feeling, bro? How you feeling?
What's up, Hank?
Bob Proctor said, yeah, Bob. He opened up Google.
Say this.
He said,
Bob Proctor quotes.
Bob Proctor quotes. Let's see if it pops up. Let's see if anything that John said just pops up real quick. If you wait until you know how to do it, you'll never do it. Failing is a part of winning. Your perception is your reality. The second you make a decision... No, I didn't hear John say any of that, really. Let's Google something else. How to come up with YouTube username if I can't use my own brain. No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding.
Nah, yeah, word, bro. Word. Y'all could just mute me when I talk too.
Get out the way. Bob's holding index cards in front of John right now. Next one.
Seriously,
next
bro.
one's like Kamala Harris. Next one. No, I'm just kidding, man. Just chill. Everyone chill.
Camera's rolling. I feel like
We
Joe
love
Biden.
Kamala. She's amazing.
Stephen A. Smith is in the chat. Let's go.
That's a cool name, but Buzzblab is so much cooler.
Hell yeah.
Especially for AI names.
Yeah. Buzzblab steps on that, bro. It destroys that name.
We love Kamala. Today we're doing a live longer. Yeah, we'll stay a little longer. We'll have some fun here. We started a little later. We'll go a little longer. Price just kind of jammed up in this range here.
Yeah, it's a no trade right now. Yo, thanks, Sebastian. God bless you too, bro.
Stephen AI, we're all joking. We're all joking. But damn, the first comment getting at Johnny Gems. You should
That was a
do
quaking
W
comment,
instead.
low-key.
Yeah.
Word, bro.
You
didn't have to quake at me, G. But yeah, bro, it doesn't matter, man. Like, I'll be forgetting about this in the next, 2 minutes. And I'll be dead, bro, in, a lifetime. So, doesn't matter, man.
One day we'll all
Just
be
here to
dirt.
make the most out of it.
From dirt back to dirt we go.
Yeah, bro. I'm just dust, bro.
It's not that serious. Why is gold always
It's not
do
going to
this?
matter in 10 years.
I don't know. BE. I'm not in the trade right now. Last trade I took was that sell, and that was it for me. Sells right here. And that was it. Oh no, right here. Yeah, I took 3 trades today. So I took this sell right here. So 2 wins and a loss here, or this sell right here off this candle, close full right there. Took another sell right here. Entry was right there. That was the trade, and then that was a win. And then the big one that I sized up on in the beginning of last night that I'm still battling back from was this one right here. So sized up on this celery play, went into profits, or this celery play here. So entry was sitting right here, and then this candle came up and just stopped me out. So I sized up on that trade, and then yeah, the other 2 trades went well.
Yeah, I sized up on that one too.
So three shorts here today.
But that's good. The shorts were great. Like, look at the daily candle, you know? So the idea was awesome. The trades are great.
Yeah. Did I have dinner last night? Yes. That's probably why I took the loss in Asian or whatever that was, because I was too cloudy from the dinner and the crumble cookie. I enjoy eating apples, that's all. No doubt.
Scott, that damn pot roast gave me brain fog.
Blame it on the pot roast, man.
Trading agent session, like, is that a bullish candle? Is that a breakout?
Later, Rob Trades. Have a great day, man. Enjoy.
Peace, Rob.
TT versus ASFX. Yeah, I think we got the. My bad. I was supposed to get that earlier, right? I think TK might have put it in. Did I see something go in?
He said so.
Yeah, TK put it in. Yeah, so let's take a look. So current TT ASFX championship round results. Let's take a look. So ASFX back in the lead. Oh, where'd our boy go? Oh, snap. So ASFX back in the lead here. We got Jaguar in second, a sea of TTE in the top 10.
Damn, Jaguar.
Yeah, man, it's getting tight. The runnings are getting tight now. Shout out to all the TT traders and the ASFX traders here. Putting on a show. Look at Jaguar,
So it's a close match here.
This is brilliant. Average loss $77. Average win $1,500. That is amazing, dude. Good job. Buzzblab crushing it too. Yes, sir. It's a tight race here, man. Tight race.
Yeah, it really is. Nice.
Top 10 are in profit. Let's go, boys and girls. Keep going. We'll do another one. Yeah, we'll do another one pretty soon. We might do another paid one if you guys want to do it. I know you guys seen the winners get paid out, so you're not being too cheap anymore. So maybe we'll do another giveaway. I think the top dog won like $1,800. $1,800 on a small giveaway on a small competition as well. So if more people participate, I mean the winner could walk away with like $2,000-3,000, and that's just first place winner. Like second place took home like $850, and then third place took home like $350, I think. Yeah. What strategy do they use? I'm not, to be honest, I'm really not too sure. Yeah, I hang out with Austin a little bit,
like
but we never talk about strategy or any of that stuff. Yeah. I'm not sure. I know they use a VWAP. I know they use I know they trade off the 1 minute chart a lot. I just don't know the gist of the actual system. $10 buy-in. Yeah, we haven't really ironed anything out yet, but yeah, we may do like another $10 buy-in. Let's go $20 buy-in, says Aaron, who came in second last competition. He said, let's hit that $20
Yeah,
buy-in.
of course he's down. Sup, Aaron?
So the first competition we did was we did a free competition. We had almost 900 people sign up. So that's why we were like, yo, if we did a $10 buy-in, I mean, we could probably raise some money to where the winners can get literally like 8-9 grand. So yeah, so we tried to do that, but I think only like 280, maybe 280 people. So we had like 2,800 to work with or whatever it was, and we didn't even do a charity thing. We just split it up between the top 3 and called it. Yeah, you might be getting a fake out here too, man. But I don't want to trade this range here. We got one off here. We made some money in the range earlier. I don't want to try my luck here again. Very choppy.
Agree.
Very choppy on the 30-minute. They use a lot of indicators. Yeah, I think they use some indicators over there. Yeah. Do I think Pal will wear a skin mask? Probably. Just put the Yoda mask on him.
Skin mask.
Running some poker? You want to play poker, Hank? You any good at poker?
Yeah, facts, Hank.
What do I think of NAS?
Looking for A+, right? A+ setups.
I'm open for buys here on NAS today. I might be looking to participate if we get a closure above the range here. Look at that clean move. That's all I care about here today. I don't even care about gold anymore today. NQ in this range right here. That's all I want. A lot of wicks to the downside here. Sheesh. %10 should go to top 1. That's very generous of you, Chala. Yeah, I was thinking about giving just 10% to like, I don't know, maybe we'll do a pizza party for the homeless or something. Yeah, just to buy it to increase the yeah. Just put some more money in the pot. Sam, yeah, Sam's better at poker. Yeah, some of you guys, we had Sam on the London stream a couple nights ago. Sam Capital. Yeah, who was there? Who was there?
Did.
You had to be there. It was epic.
I think the same crew was there.
Oh yeah, Sam was just randomly up at 2 o'clock in the morning, just because Sam does Sam things, and yeah, he pulled up. Of course, he just happened to be at like a Sheetz, getting some sort of lunch at 2 o'clock in the morning. So it sounds just about like Mr. Sam Capital to me.
Mr. Sam. Gotta get that protein in.
Yeah, if you haven't noticed, ES and the NASDAQ look identical. I'm sorry, US 30 here. Let me go back to US 30. Oh, US 30 back down here. Damn, yeah, you did close below. Who trades the Dow here? Anyone? I just like marking it up. Where do you go to college, Hank? If I hang out with Travis, I'll probably get some guns. Yeah, I always text Travis when I'm buying new guns. Always. He's my, you know, how you got a gun, you got a guy? You got a guy for everything? Travis, my gun guy. So, yo, which AR should I pick up? Dude, I had like 3 of them ready to go. He is that guy.
Yo, Travis, we gotta go to the range, bro. When we link.
Travis, what's up? You pulling up in late October?
Me, you, and Nick.
We got the TT meetup for those of you guys that are planning on coming to Tampa. Tampa in the end of the month here. Yeah, we're continuing the Clubhouse right here. Sneak peek. Only we can't dive into certain topics just because we're still live. Slide, bro. Who's pulling up? I trade
Yo,
only
TK.
NASDAQ. Yeah.
That's sick.
After this time, I like it. Who's coming to Tampa? Already reserved the day. Let's go, Norbin. Yeah, some of you guys have already bought your flights. You guys are coming in. Excited to meet you all.
Let's go, Norbin.
We'll do some sort of like just like a networking, you know, hanging out type of vibe one day, and then maybe the next day we'll do some sort of like activity together. Maybe we'll go scuba diving with great white sharks. Who's down? Going to Florida.
Scuba
right
diving
after
with great white
Christmas.
sharks.
Yeah, pull up, bro. We'll be here. I'll be here for Christmas. I don't think I'm flying anywhere this year. Gonna stay in the sunshine state. Is there any way to expedite my Clubhouse? Yes. Ask and it shall be given. Yes. Yeah, check the Discord and like, I don't know, TK, how long should they check their Discord in? Right now?
Peace, Scott.
Oh, you're already in. Refresh it. Yeah, refresh it. Come ride some lions in South Africa. Hey, I'm coming. I will be coming to do that, just not in October. Not this month. Me and my family are going to probably plan a London trip next year, 2025. So we'll do a London meetup. Some sort of meetup out there, and then South Africa next. Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. Yeah, you should be if you don't see any of the channels in the Discord, then just let me know and then we'll see what's happening.
Yo, 11th hour, what was that experience like, bro? Cage, what is it called?
I
Just
don't
chilling in a cage in the ocean.
actually, I would be down to not do the cage. I'd be down to go in like 20, 25 foot water and hang out at the bottom and chill with them down there. Just give me one of those pokers. Just give me a poker.
And a shark trainer. And a guidance. A mentor.
Give me a mentor and a poker and we'll be all right.
Yeah. Cage diving, yeah. Cage diving sharks. That was how'd you like that experience, bro? I've seen a lot of videos of sharks like almost getting in the cage. Like I'm like, yeah, no.
Last thing I want to do is be in the cage with the shark. Hey, buddy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
Just watch the shark try to destroy the cage with you in it. Trying to get in.
I'd rather be like in like that water where it's like 25 feet and the guys are hanging out like on the bottom on the bed and the sharks are just swimming around and they're pushing them away. And I'd rather do that. I'd rather do that than get 9 great white sharks all wild up while I'm in a cage throwing freaking fish heads out the thing. I'm good on that. I'm good on that. Blood everywhere. I'm like drinking blood. I'm like, oh my god. Any plans for Dubai? Not yet. Not yet. I would like to say yes, but I don't have anything in the mix yet. Raja invited me out to Dubai. He said, let me know. I'll take care of everything. So I'm going to hold him to that. I'm going to hold him accountable. I want those first class business flights. Yeah, shark mentor.
Big Macs, that's funny.
Great white sharks is insane. Yeah, I bet being around a great white shark, you realize like how like powerful those things are.
It's pretty much a large fish with teeth, sharp teeth. Nah, bro, honestly, that's like, it's like one of the trippiest things to me, just being in the middle of the ocean.
The ocean's creepy, man.
You don't know what's under. That's the creepy thing.
Oh, the deep dive. Oh yeah? I will make my way out to Dubai at some point. God willing, I'll be there. What do I think about taking the elites on a trip to Wakanda land next year? I think so. I have me and TK have some things in mind, which will probably, especially for some, it'll probably literally allow you to scratch a big like bucket list dream off. Yeah, I can't say anything yet. All right, Don D Method, have a great day. Enjoy.
You know.
Have an awesome day, man. Have an awesome day. Am I planning another entry? There's no entries really ready right now. Not on NASDAQ. Gold trying to come back up. 30 minutes still consolidating. We still got, what, 6 minutes? 6 minutes left on the 30.
Yeah. The ranges aren't the cleanest. Can't lie. They really aren't.
Giveaways? Yeah, Josh, you get a giveaway account. Josh gets a giveaway, a 25K challenge account today. His persistence has paid. I left him hanging in the chat day after day after day after day. I just wanted to see how persistent he would be. W, you get the giveaway today, my friend.
Good job, Josh. You passed the test.
Congratulations. Let this be a lesson in persistence can get you anything you want, anytime you want.
Yes. You attracted it through your actions. Good work.
Good job, bro. W. Whenever you plan to come to Dubai, yes, I will let you guys know. I will let all my Dubai friends know. What are the dates for Tampa? The dates for Tampa, the main date is going to be October 25th. October 25 will be the main date.
October 25, you said?
Yeah. Yep. So in 20 days. 20 days from now.
Bet. That's going to be a Saturday. Or, sorry, Friday.
Friday.
Yep.
I wanted to get a Airbnb, but like a mansion, but they're only giving me options for like 4 or 5 days. And they're like, some of them are like $1,200 a night. So I'm down. I was down to do it for like 1 or 2 nights, but they want us to secure it for like 4 or 5. Visiting Raja, I have to visit Raja if I go to Dubai. Let's go, Josh. Josh, message TK. TK will get it all set up for you. TK's the man. Shout out to TK. Always putting in the work.
He's that guy.
He is that guy.
Congrats, Josh.
Okie dokie. Let's see what we got here. So we got something cooking. Our 4 hours pretty bullish now. 1 hour is looking pretty bullish. Created that support after grabbing that liquidity there. 30-minute trying to close above resist. 30 minutes just chopping around here. 1, 2, 3, 4 thirds. So for the last 2 hours, we just been, you know, messing around here in this overall range. So we'll see if we get a breakout. You're welcome, Josh. You're welcome. Hey, thank yourself. Thank your persistence. Just thank persistence. And just know that with that persistence, you can get anything you want. I about 6, 7 years ago, I messaged a group of men who I truly admire, and I asked them, if you can explain me in one word, what would it be? And it was pretty interesting how most of those men wrote back the same word. You know what the word was? Persistent. Persistent. So you got to be persistent on your way to the top, man. Otherwise, you won't get it. Yeah, just think of it like this. Let me give you a vision.
True.
Let's say that this is a big old hill, right? This is a big old hill. And your dreams and goals and your dream life is right up here. Dream life. Your desire. Right? And here you are with a vision of one day making it up here. Right? Now, the only mission you have is to take this big old boulder, and the sooner you can get this boulder up this hill, you will win like you've never won before. The problem is, most people, as they get to pushing, they come up, they get up, they get up, they get up, and then they stop. And guess what happens? The boulder rolls back down. And then they hear me say something, you can do it. You know, they hear John quote some, Google some Bob Proctor, read off some quotes, and they get all motivated, and they go again. And they go again and again and again, and this time they go, Nick, I'm really into it now. You've got me fired up, man. And they're making it. But what happens? They lose a trade. They have a bad week. Their wife yells at them, and the boulder goes back down. Right? And this is the problem for most people. This is why most people can never achieve financial success, is because they just cannot get this boulder over the hump. So what do you have to do to get the boulder over the hump? You have to work your ass off. You have to push this thing as hard and fast and as you possibly can, right? Success loves speed. Success loves speed, right? So you need to get this boulder up without pausing. So that means when you lose a couple trades and your wife yells at you and you don't get the outcome you were looking for, you do not stop pushing that boulder. You keep going, right? You keep pushing this boulder up the hill, because at any point when you stop, that boulder gets heavier and heavier and most likely will push you back down, right? And then once you get over this hump here, man, victory, right?
Yep.
Victory, big smile on your face. This is you throwing money all around. Yeah, son. We did it. We did it, right? And this is, what does it take? Persistence. Persistence, right? That's what it's going to take. So if you want to win big, get that boulder and start moving. Don't stop. You've got zero time. If you're here, over here, and you're struggling financially, you have zero time to feel bad about anything. The only thing you should be focused on is getting that boulder over the hump. That's it. What do I find out? most people, unfortunately, they don't even last a week. Right? Most people don't even last a week.
And
so can you outwork them? Can you hustle harder than them? Can you keep going longer than them? That's what it's going to take.
right. Yep, you pushing the boulder is the work. So keep your head down, keep working.
Yep.
Yeah, we should all read the chapter on persistence and Think and Grow Rich. A lot of heat in there.
Views. Yeah, it's true. And guess what? Once you get here, surprise, surprise, time to keep going. Because my mentor told me, Nick, if you ain't moving forward, you're moving backwards. So celebrate this victory for a moment's time and then operate on that new level and then go to the next levels from there. So it's consistent. It's continuous efforts here, right? Just continuing to dream and set the plans and go, you know, work to accomplish them. Over the hump. Let's title that talk Over the Hump. You can do it. Excuses will never get you up there. So if you got excuses, don't ever plan on getting to the top where the view is lovely. It ain't gonna happen.
Yeah, if you have a problem with excuses, you actually have a disease called excuseitis. So yeah, that is a disease right there. Excuses, if you make excuses, that's a disease. Mental disease you got to get rid of.
Legitimately is a disease. Like, you'll notice that people make excuses for years. The same guy making excuses 10 years ago is the same guy that makes them today.
Yep. Yeah, Travis, it is, bro. Really is.
All right. Yeah. So good job. Good job. Yeah. What was I gonna say? Josh. Yeah, Josh. Good luck on the account, bro. Good luck. Good luck.
Good luck, bro.
How many of you guys got a little mad the other day when we were talking about the plan that's out there for you? When we talked about, right, all this, he goes this way, she goes that way. You know that was designed to get you a little mad, right? Because that got me pissed back in the day. Some of you guys don't remember, or some of you guys weren't here, but who remembers we were talking about he going this way, she going that way, kids going this way? Who remembers? Any of you guys get a little mad at me? That's why I said it online. I didn't want to say it in person because I might have got someone might have attacked me. Hey, when my mentor taught me about that really pissed me off. And it should piss you off, right? It should piss the winner off. Some of you guys wanted to uppercut me, put me in a choke slam that day. Yeah, I love this.
Yeah.
Needed to hear every word of it, though. Of course it's pissed. You get salty and mad as hell. And yeah, man, the truth really does hurt. But in the end, it sets us free, right? So how many of you guys got mad and then really formulated a plan to say, hey, I don't want that to be my life anymore? Anyone? I'm really pissed off, man. You should be. You know, if you're not where you want to be financially, anytime I was just found something, I just couldn't buy it, right? Like just the littlest things, man, that stuff made me mad. You know, I was mad when I was broke. I didn't like being broke. Some of y'all love being broke. You don't mind it. You don't mind it, man. That's the difference between me and some of you, is that you just don't care. You don't mind being broke. It's all right. You'll get it done. You'll get it done at some time down the road. Not me, man. I was mad. I was mad. When I had to report to the job You know, I had to go somewhere where I didn't want to be. I had to wake up at a time I didn't want to wake up, drive something I probably didn't want to drive, to go be with some people I didn't want to be with, to do some work I didn't want to do for a paycheck that didn't even pay my bills. Right? Took me away from my life day in, day out. I didn't like that. I didn't like that for me. I didn't like that for Anna. I didn't like that for our future generations. So I put a foot down and put a stop to it. You know, that's what we talk about when we talk about changing the generation, you know, the generational mindset and mentality. It's got to start somewhere. You know, unfortunately, if it didn't start before you, it should start from you, right? Especially if you show up and you catch a liking to this stream and what we talk about. It's time to change, right? It's time to change that mentality within your sphere of influence. And if not you, then who?
Oh, facts.
If not now, then when? Yo, facts. Stop loss on being a bum. I actually had this shirt I bought. It says never broke again. I don't even wear it. I just hang it up there. Just look at it. Some of us ain't mad enough. Yeah, man, you gotta get mad. There's a book called Relentless. A book called Relentless by Tim Grover. I think some of you guys need to read that book. Let's go, Cannon. There's nothing wrong with being broke. What's wrong is staying broke. Nothing wrong with being broke. What is broke, John?
Broke is a condition of the mind. Yeah, being broke is a condition of the mind. It's the offspring of your thoughts.
Yeah, so I don't think I was ever broke. I was poor. I was poor. I had zero money in my bank account, but I don't think I was really ever broke.
Yep. Oh, yep. You're only broke if you think you're broke.
Oh, yeah. Winning. Yeah, that's another good one by Tim Grover. Yep. Limitless supply of excess. Hey, I'm still working on that, man. Gotta have it. We do a little live streaming. What time y'all want to live stream today? Hey, Clubhouse. What time do I have permission to live stream YouTube to? What do you guys think? $1,500?
Yes, let's go, Chad. Don't accept broke is real. We're already rich. It's a mindset. It's a perspective.
That's why coming here is great, because we start to challenge your thinking. You know, my mentor, the best thing he ever did was challenge my way of thinking, challenge my reality, what I thought was reality, and just open my eyes up to so many possibilities. Like I said before that, I didn't really know or believe I could be wealthy. I just thought that certain people were wealthy and certain people weren't. You know, that was it. I didn't realize that, you know, there were books that were written by people who created success, and they actually shared with you everything they did to get it. And then once I started realizing, dude, these guys didn't even graduate the 3rd grade. That's when I knew I can do anything. You know, I can do this. Successful people, only like 5% or less of millionaires inherited the money. So that means the rest of them went out, created a vision. They had that dream, struggle, victory process, and then they got it, you know. And how'd they get it? They got it through persistence. So anything I've ever lacked in smarts and brains, I've made up with persistence. That's it. Just a dog, you know what I mean? You got to be like a bulldog. Bulldog mentality.
Yep. For real. And it was through thinking where I found out how I was born rich, right? It was through thinking that I was like, John, why are you always so mad? Like, why are you depressed? Why are you sad? And it was because I was focusing on the wrong things. I was focusing on the negative things, right? And I knew that it was a perspective. It was a perspective shift. It was a mindset shift on the focusing on the things that I don't have from the things that I do have. I said, John, how long are you gonna wait until you want to be happy? How long do you want to wait until you are rich? Just become that person. Look at the things, think about the things you do have that make you rich, right? And then I shifted my mindset on the things that I have and not what I don't have. And that just helped me throughout the process. And then that's when I was rich. I became rich once I shifted my mindset on all the things I'm wealthy from, right? So yeah, all those things outside of your life, all the blessings you have are reasons to be rich. Every gift you have that's, worth nothing is the most valuable gifts in your life. Right? The things that cost money are the cheapest. So the things that are given, so being rich is a free gift because the things we have for free makes us rich. Everything else is a commodity. Everything else is extra. So yeah, it was a mindset shift that, you're not broke, you're not poor, you're rich. And then your reality will be an offspring to your thoughts. But yeah.
My mentor would say, Nick, stop focusing on the things you don't have that you do want, and start focusing on the things that you do. Start focusing on the things that you don't have. I'm sorry. He would say, stop focusing on the things that you do have but don't want, and start focusing on the things that you don't have. I don't even know. I forgot. It was something like, don't focus on like what you currently have that you're mad about, right? Like, or not satisfied with. Focus on those things that you don't have, and that way you can accumulate them. Otherwise, you just literally focusing on the negatives in your life, and you'll never get anything extra out of that. If you focus on that, that's what will continue to come about in your life.
Yep.
Long stream today? Yes, sir. Yeah.
Moral of the message, rich and poor is a mindset. It's a perspective.
Yeah.
Poverty and riches is a mindset. It's a state of mind. How do you think anyone who wasn't, the people who are millionaires today, before they weren't a millionaire, how could they have possibly became a millionaire if they haven't thought their way to being a millionaire? If they hadn't become the type of person with their thoughts, words, and actions, there's no way they would have made the $1 million. So you becoming a millionaire has to happen before the $1 million come. So therefore, everything starts in the mind. So when you become rich, you first become rich in the mind before the pockets. So it's the same thing with being broke.
Hey, I just randomly became a millionaire. Awesome. Yeah. Doesn't happen. Lottery.
Thoughts are, sorry.
Yeah, lotteries, luckies, but those things don't last. That's not becoming a millionaire. That's just getting $1 million. Oh, here it is. Yeah, see? I write these things down because I'm not that smart. Don't speak what you don't have, or don't speak what you don't want that you do have. Speak what you do want that you don't have. Yeah, there you go. I mixed up the haves. I forgot to add the have in there. So don't speak what you don't want that you do have, aka depression, anxiety, low bank account, crappy car, blah, 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 bad relationships, right? Don't speak what you don't want that you do have. Speak what you do want that you don't have. I want peace. I want a nice new car. I want a good relationship with my wife, things like that.
Facts.
First time here, welcome Sleepy Hot Dog. I like that name, by the way. Damn. We got a lot of interesting names here today. By the way, Stephen A.I. Smith, you're the man, bro. Love you, man. Love you. Appreciate you being here every day. Yeah. I feel bad. Rich by having TT
man.
friendships. That's right. That's right. Yeah, good friendships.
But it's real. It's real. But it's real talk, man. It's real talk because we have the examples, right? We've seen the people who went before us in life. Like you're gonna tell me, you know, Earl Nightingale, Jeff Bezos, Mark Zuckerberg, like these dudes weren't they weren't always rich. They weren't always making millions of dollars, right? There was a process they went through, and there was a beginning stage, and there was you know, the beginning stage which started with their thoughts and their mindset. You know, their mindset had to get them there. But yeah, now they're making $1 million, but you don't think they've been having this mindset, you know, thinking like a millionaire and stuff like that in order to get it? Yeah, exactly. So the point is you must become the millionaire in the mind first before it comes in the physical realm. And you see all the successful people are a great example of that. Just look at others. Look at the examples before us.
Do we stream every day? Yeah, Monday through Friday. Yep. Monday through Friday right here. Let's see if Nas is making his way up yet or what. What we doing, Louis G? What we doing? Not yet. Not yet.
Let's go, Louis G.
Next webinar on goal setting. Yes, next. So if you guys aren't in the Clubhouse and you want to join these webinars that we do that I believe are personally game-changing webinars. Some of you guys have been to our webinars, our boot camps. We do these every week now in the Clubhouse. So this week we will be taking a break from technical analysis, and we will be jumping into what I believe is more important than that, which is goal setting. So as we're creeping into Q4, there's never been a better time to plan out your 2025, right? Because like John said, no one gets to that status unless they've got plans of going there, right? So we're going to talk a lot about goals. We're going to talk a lot about expectations and how you can kind of set these goals in stone and have a plan to work day in and day out. That way, you know, every day you're getting closer and closer to that goal. So we're going to talk a lot about goal setting this weekend in the webinar. I highly recommend bringing a notepad and being attentive and ready to learn. Yeah. Being rich in the mind. I'm gonna teach y'all how to be rich in the mind. We're gonna start going a little deeper in the Clubhouse. We're gonna start going a little deeper into multiple streams of income. We're gonna start going a little deeper into the spiritual laws that govern success that I had no clue about until I met Mr. V in 2012 and absolutely blew my mind. So we'll be there. How many pips do I target on each trade? So whatever the target is. So like in this position right here, let's just say I'm waiting for a buy here on the NASDAQ and the candle closes above and we get a buy position ready to go. So in this case, I'd just be looking to target that zone here. So whatever that is, this would be like 67 points here. So on this trade, it'll be 67 points. Now let's say something like this goes down. All right, boom, boom, da 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 da. We don't get in here for whatever reasons. We kind of do something like this, and all of a sudden we close back above the range, right? So now my target is going to be 40 pips. So it just depends on the market in front of me and the target in front of me. I don't have like every trade I hit 50 pips, or it's like 50 pips or nothing, or 20 pips or nothing. I really don't do anything random. I really do things that line up with like logic and technicals. I don't really make anything up. I don't have any predetermined or preset goals that I want to, you know, I need to make 50 pips today or anything like that. I used to do that when I was a little bit newer into trading. But now I just come with zero expectations every day just to observe the markets, learn from the markets, and then if setups show up, then I'll trade the markets. Yeah, that's it. So some days the target's 60 pips, some days the target's 20 pips, some days it's 15, some days it's 100. So it just depends on what market condition is in front of us on that given day.
Yep. Yep, be willing to take whatever the market's willing to give you.
Yes.
Fans count up, bro. That's a big W, bro. That's why I know you're gonna make it, brother, because you know your why, and you have that fuel your engine. You know, you got that gas to fuel your engine so you can get to that destination, bro. The why is our gas to our engine. So if you don't know your why, you must know your why. Why are you doing this? But Vans count up W, bro.
W. Later, Stephen A.I. Smith. See you later, bro.
Steven Smith, see you, bro. Have a good day.
Do I see potential buys? Yeah, if you get a 30 closure, it looks pretty good. Yeah.
Nah, yeah, Travis, it seems like that 30 closed right at resistance. So nothing for me.
30? 30 didn't close yet, no? 8 minutes.
Yep. Oh, he's talking about 15.
Oh,
30 minutes is more quality here.
My way of learning? I don't know. What do you think my way of learning is? I like to listen. I'm a note taker too. I like listening. I like learning all different ways. I mainly like listen and watch, but I also am a pretty big note taker too. So I had notebooks filled with notes from like all these personal growth and development conferences I went to years ago. I'd fill these notebooks up with notes, man, but unfortunately lost all the notebooks when I moved. It's a little bummer. Huge bummer. But that's okay. Happens in life sometimes.
Yeah. Yeah, the wise guy. I mean, it's a little bit of everything, you know, experience, reading, listening to podcasts, working out, you know, it's like a little bit of everything.
All right, cool. See, yeah, I'm big on voice recording too. So I've recorded so many calls with my mentor and sessions with my mentor and so many speeches at these conferences, but man, I was very bummed out about losing my stack of notebooks. See you guys. Need to get to my shift. All right, have a great day. See you later.
Peace, bro.
Last 24-hour stream on YouTube was almost a year ago. Are you hinting something to me, BuzzBlab?
Hey, BuzzBlab. He wants that 24-hour stream on YouTube.
I did not consider the 15 closure here. I'm gonna wait on the 30 closure here today, especially at 11:34. Yeah.
Yeah.
What do the notes actually do for us? I think they allow us to hear things and then write it down, so it just kind of like saves it more in your mind. For me, like if I hear it and then I just write it down, for some reason that helps it stick in my mind a little bit more. If I may ask, what was the most money you made on a single trade? Like a BTC holding trade or like a day trade? Day trade like 11 grand. BTC trade, let's just say a lot. How much money you got? How much honey you got? Yeah, BTC treated us very well.
BTC's always treating nice.
See you tomorrow, Sleepy Hot Dog. Later. I'll be looking for you. I'll be looking for your name. In the morning, I usually shout out everyone's names. That's going to be a funny one. Sleepy Hot Dog in the house. Let's go.
Sleepy Hot Dog. Nice.
I'll shout you out tomorrow, man.
Yo, Sleepy Hot Dog, make some pigs in the blanket for me later, brother. That's basically, you're basically a pigs in the blanket, low-key.
I don't want to disclose any numbers on the Bitcoin because then you guys may think of me differently. And I don't want you guys to look at me differently.
Nah, bro, personal information. There is
Let's see here. Does anyone know how we can do 25 or half contracts on Top Step? Yeah, I think Kenneth, your best bet is to get off of the GC chart and then move over to the MGC chart. Yeah, I think that one will help you out. That one will give you, it'll let you cut these contracts up a little bit more.
Yep.
Yeah, so if you want to take out like one GC, then and you want to close partials. So someone asked, how do you close partials on one contract? So you don't unless you, let's say you have one GC contract and you want to take that out. Instead of using that, just go over to the other chart, the MGC, and then take out 10. And now you can close, you know, 80%, 50%, 40%, whatever.
Yeah, the micro chart's definitely going to be your best bet.
Yeah, I use the GC chart just because I don't know, I like that one a little better, but yeah.
Yeah, I mean, wise guy, you know, in order to get rid of a bad habit, we have to replace it with a good habit. So it's just, you got to build the good habits of being a good trader, right? Just understand, ask yourself, what are the habits of a professional trader? Answer that question. Okay, they follow their plan, they have risk management, they have a good psychology, back it up with probabilities. So you answer that, and then now you just apply that, you learn from it, and you work on building those habits of a professional trader. And the work is the everyday work. The work is showing up to your trading session, marking up your charts, making a plan, and following it, right? Setting out to build the good habits, not focusing on the P&L, but focusing on building the good habits of the professional trader. That's the only way we can, you know, replace bad habits is with good habits. So yeah.
Yeah, good question too, man. You have to live up to the name, you know. So what wise people do is they make a mistake, and then they just learn from it. And then what they do is they don't make that same mistake again, or at least they limit it to the best of their ability. So whatever it is that you're doing when you say you're passing the challenges, but then you let it go, there's something different that's taken place from you being on a challenge to you being on a live. Something you're doing, right? Whether it's, hey, I want to secure a payout. By the way, this is natural human behavior, right? So you're not doing anything wrong. You just now have to learn how to govern those emotions there. So there's something that's changing, right? Clearly when you go from a challenge to a live. So figure out what that is. The best thing you can do is track your data. Your data will tell you everything. Your data will tell you what you're doing right, what you're doing wrong. And then I would advise like maybe coming onto this stream here and saying, hey, can I send you my trades and you can review them real quick? And maybe if we have time, we can review them. And honestly, that's like an elite call right there. So maybe we could take a look at and see what you're doing right, what you're doing wrong. You really want to spot out, hey, what am I doing wrong here? And what can I be doing better? And then just make those little tweaks. Most traders are like 3 or 4 tweaks away from turning a profit. You know, it's just what are the little mistakes you're making and how do we stop it and, you know, use a different approach. All right, so we do have a little 15 celery play going on here today. We got closures above. Let's take a look. We do have a bunch of wicks in the area, which isn't the greatest, but all in all, we are closing. Let's take a look at that 4 hour. 4 hours attempted to fill the wick. The 1 hour is still open here. 30-minute looks good. 15 looks good. Yeah, I might have a little one contract here on the buys. Yeah, you got some wicks in the way. That's gonna be a little choppy there. Maybe I'll even go to like the MGC. No, I'll stick to this one. But yeah, you got some wicks in the way. We should be good to push through them now that we're closing again above here. And if we break those highs, you should see a push. I think it's like a 15 pip wick fill here. Yeah, 15 pips BE and then let the rest run. Yeah, so I'm gonna go break even here, and then let's see if it can run. Can we get through the wicks? Can we get through them?
Yeah, I just missed that.
That's all right. Can we push through? What's my average lot size? It's all different. It just depends on what account I'm trading. On this live XFA, so far it's been like one contract. Push, Goldie, push. Yeah, so aggressive on the B here just because you got a bunch of wicks in the way, right? Obvious reasons.
Nah, not PMA difficult. Nah, I think this is done. I missed my entry.
Here comes break even. Whoa, whoa, almost. Almost. Hey, push, Goldie, push. Yeah, this is worth a shot. I think we got 15 pips. 12 pips. Yeah, that's my B right there. Yeah, good shot. I don't want to get too crazy here with these wicks in the way, but yeah, if we would have pushed through there, that would have been great.
Yeah, I didn't like those wicks either. The current high, honestly, wasn't a bad entry on the 30-minute, but it was just too quick for me.
Yeah. Fast trade, yeah. Well, we were waiting for that, right? That closure.
Travis, did you get that? Yeah, way too fast, bro. Like, I think it made a bottom wick pretty quick too. It was just like in the first like 10 seconds that happened.
Yeah, it was quick. Plus the entry was on the break all these highs, so it's a late entry anyway.
Yeah.
30-minute entry, not bad. You probably got like 20, 25 out of it. 30.
You could have technically targeted that wick fill for your TP too if you took it on the 30 highs.
Yeah.
Current
Exactly.
30 highs.
Taking it from here, that's just break even. But if you're taking it off the 30, then that's definitely partials.
Yeah. Yes, Louis G word, bro. We'll catch the next one, bro. 100%. And that wasn't it wasn't that clean either, that trade.
No. It was just a nice little 15-minute celery, closures above, looking like price wants to move. We know that wick rejections are in our way. We got to go break even there, blah, 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 blah. And yeah, see if we can clean up the range. Am I in NAS? No, I'm not. Wow, what's NAS doing? Did we close above? No, we did not close above yet. So I'm waiting on NASDAQ for buys in this zone right here. So this is the only trade I'm taking on NAS here today. Right here. This zone right here is what I want. Push.
No, I mean, Travis, they are, wicks are, ranges, so you can fill the wicks. But, once you fill the wicks, you could definitely reject because that's the area they're rejecting in. But that's what happened here. The trade came up to those wicks, and it seems like it's rejected now, and we'll see what happens. But yeah, you see how it came? It pretty much filled those wicks.
Yeah. Let's get a little screenshot.
Update the record.
BE.
Yeah.
Update the record. Bet we're gonna update the record. Oops. I promise I will have my record fully logged by the end of the day.
Yo, Sal, did you update your record?
What time was that? 11:30?
Yeah.
AM Eastern, 10/2. 24. Let me just put the link so I'll remember. Boom. Yeah, I'll update everything today. Celery.
Yeah, facts. Facts Sly. We are executing nicely. I'm at about like 10 trades too.
We are.
And it's only the 3rd of October.
That was 15 celery, half risk.
Trader's trade. That's why I'm saying like I'm not gonna sweat like a position like, you know, that or one that I missed, because there's gonna be so many. You know, there's gonna be so many. There's endless opportunities in the markets.
Yes, sir. Endless. Whoa. Yeah, that was a good decision to go B. I ain't mad
I
about
make
it.
it happen now.
Am I a NAS? Oh yeah, no, I'm not a NAS. Update the record. Yes, oh yes, update the record. That's right, our record. So what do we do here today? 1 win, 1 BE, right? 1 win, 1 BE.
Yeah. 2. All right, nice, Travis. Good work.
Yo, Tradeify. Thanks, man. Appreciate that. Appreciate the dono. You did not have to
What's up,
do
Tradeify?
that. Appreciate you, man. And give 3 free 50K straight to the Sim funded account. Whoa.
Yo,
Whoa, bro.
generous.
Generous. Chat, who wants a 50? So are you talking about 50K instant funded? Hey?
Wow.
Holy.
Tradeify in the building.
All right, Tradeify.
I'll take one.
That's a W. Yeah, we're still in the range, man. Still in the range. Who wants an account with Tradeify?
I'll take an instant funding account.
Well, I don't mind if I do. Hey, man. Appreciate it.
You're an answered prayer.
Whoa, chat got motion. Where were you guys before?
Tradeify will check out.
Should we just do the Should we just do it in the clubhouse? Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
WB there, Nick.
Yeah, great break even here.
Yeah, you see, Travis, we did fill those wicks, but now we're rejecting it.
Whoa, Matrix coming in. Get spooky around this time. Oh, raffle? Yeah, we could do whatever raffle you have in mind, brother. Yeah. That's awesome. Appreciate you coming by. Blessing the community. Ecom Dre about to wait.
Yeah, nice trade to buy.
Ecom Dre says someone say free accounts?
Straight to instant funding. Say less.
Run the raffle. We could do the random pick giveaway. We could do that. Maybe, yeah. Oh my god, Kingman's screaming. We could maybe do the random pick. Yeah, maybe we could do that. But that would mean that we would need people to comment on a certain video. Oh, driving down now. Back in the range here. Let's see that 1 hour candle. Yeah, you see that? 1 hour back in the range. So that's another reason why we went B early on that, right? Is because the 1 hour candle was still open there. So although the 30 closed above, 15 had the celery, the 1 hour candle was still open, and that look how much struggle we got to the top side here on the 1 hour. All right, all this. What am I trading? I'm trading gold. Gold versus the dollar here. And NQ, NASDAQ.
Nah.
Waiting for NAS buys here. Which they look like they're loading.
Yeah, that 1 hour doesn't really have a bottom wick either. On gold.
On gold, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Whoa, Josh is back. th hour.
NAS pump.
Should we do the giveaways now? Why don't we do them tomorrow? Why don't we do them tomorrow? Why don't we chat in a DM? Send me a message and we'll hook them up tomorrow so we don't have to rush it. Yeah, so if you were gonna miss a live stream, today would be the live stream to miss, not tomorrow. Not tomorrow's stream. Tomorrow's stream, you definitely want to be there. Josh heard, yo, another account? Lucky day. Lucky day.
Josh came right back.
Yes, come back tomorrow with 3 more, a little earlier if you can. 3 now, 3 tomorrow. Perfect. Perfect. We appreciate your generosity. Chat, don't miss tomorrow's live stream. Everyone's deserving, yeah. If you just see some random names that you just feel that are on your heart, then you can give them away, brother. They're your accounts.
I'll take one, sir. Me and Louis G will take 2 out of 3. Right, Louis G?
Hey, we'll take some over here. We'll test them out. Make sure make sure it's going all right. Yeah.
Make it 100K in funding.
Hey, 50K, I'll take it. That's pretty good.
Heck yeah. 50Ks are good.
50Ks are real good. How about, yeah, let's do the giveaway tomorrow. We'll do giveaways tomorrow, chat. Tomorrow's Friday, right? Yeah, so we're going to do some giveaways tomorrow. I think we got like 5 to 10 giveaways up our sleeve for tomorrow because we haven't done them in like 2 weeks. So I think we got like 10 giveaways tomorrow and then maybe 3 giveaways from Tradeify. I'm quitting my job tomorrow if I win. Let's go.
Sheesh.
I remember
the
first trade I made $300 and I said, honey, I'm quitting. We're going all in. No lie. AUD, USD, I was broke as a joke sitting in Panera Bread. Made $350 on a trade. I said, I'm quitting my job. Literally. We're going all in. If I could make this a day, come on.
That's great, honestly.
Yeah. Yeah, so
Yeah, right. That just shows you like what the hell.
tomorrow we'll do like 10 giveaways. We'll do 10 25 challenge account giveaways. Oh, Tradeify, email me at info@timetoeattrading.com. info@timetoeattrading.com. Let's chat. Did I see you recently on my buddy Austin Silver's podcast? The name is ringing a bell. I hope I'm not mistaken you for somebody else.
Yeah, I think. Yeah. You did a podcast with Austin.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
Oh, just an intern, Brett. Oh, I see, Brett. Aha, good. I like the strategy. Yeah. How many people are here? How many people? For $20, you got about. Oh wow, there's only 300 people here now. Well, there was probably a couple hundred people here earlier, but man, not bad for $20.
Yeah.
Smart man. You want an intern for me? Just kidding.
Man, he's like, yeah.
That's why you said interns gotta eat. I see. Yeah, what time is it? It's like noon. Well, damn.
Yeah. 11. It's gonna be 12. 10 minutes.
YouTube Clubhouse mesh here today.
Right?
500 likes for one giveaway. Yeah, are we close? We're at 380 with 384 here. So we're winding down here. We had 1,000 around 10 a.m. and they seem to slowly fade off. They got over the hump. Look, we got over that hump.
My wife's almost home and I'm still on the PC.
Honey,
For real,
what are you
bro,
doing?
I'm gonna get in trouble. Yeah, nah. We'll see. What do you think? You think gold may just range there? Good.
I think. Let's see. Anything can happen, but let's see what we're doing. Are we back in the range? Yeah, so we're back in the range. Let's take a look at the 15. Yeah, we're just chopping around a bit. 30 minutes getting ugly. So yeah, I think we may finish this day out in the clubhouse for maybe another hour or two. And then if no moves, we call it. We got NFP tomorrow. That's right, Stevie Mac. We got NFP tomorrow, so you may play the range game here. For the remainder of the day till the daily candle closes, and then start up again around like Asian and London. Yeah. What song do you guys want to listen to on the way out? Huh?
Peace OGH. Yeah, where? What's the wave?
What's the vibe? Song vibe looking like?
What's the play?
Any recommendations?
Green.
Blessings. 2 Live Crew. TTE song. I got the Trading Dreams.
Yeah. How about we throw a beat?
Throw a beat. We'll have someone freestyle over the beat.
Yeah, bro. Put on a Wanksta by 50 Cent.
Or window shopper.
Or window shopper. And let me spit real quick.
Brett's gonna email us. All right, man. All right. Nice to have you in the chat today. Tradeify W. All right, I'm gonna have to put together a little mix. I'll put together a little mix for you guys. How about that? Let's get this over here. I think I seen one. I think I seen one common answer earlier.
Yo, chill, Stevie Mac.
We ain't going nowhere. We ain't.
Yeah, play some La Russell, bro.
The Russell has little curses on that one.
Oh, yeah,
I
that's
like
true.
the Russell, but I don't like sharing it with the cursing and yapping. Yeah, when you're in your car, it's a little different. We got kids on the
Yes,
stream.
sir, Louis G. Cover your kids' ears.
Cover your kids' ear. We're gonna play some La Russell. No, I'm just kidding. Maybe in the clubhouse later we'll play some La Russell.
That one's gonna be like with their kid.
Come here, little Billy. Give me those ears. Those big old ears of yours. I don't know where you got them. You got them from your mama.
Your parents do this, but you still hear under their ears, under their hands.
Close your ears, Billy. You're too young to hear this. All right, I think we're good, man. I think we're out of here. Great session here today. A little bit longer, which was fun. We had some fun here. Tomorrow we'll do a big giveaway day. So don't miss tomorrow's live stream. We probably got like 10, maybe even like 15 accounts to give away. We are the streets by the locks. Oh my God. Yeah. Now come back tomorrow. We'll have some nice trades, I'm sure. We'll give away some giveaway accounts and head into the weekend with some momentum. All right, first song. We'll do a little mix here today. John, appreciate you and all your wisdom. And
Thank you, bro. You too.
Yes, sir. Chat. Love y'all.
See ya. Peace, chat. Have a good day. I'll see you guys later.
Later. Yes, sir. I love you because you're a winner, because you're a champion, because you're here, because you're probably dead, broke, busted, but you got a dream and you got a goal and you show up every day, and that's why I love you. So I believe in you. You guys can do it. Let's go over. Let's take back control of our life and finish up in the Hall of Fame. Love y'all. Hope you have a great day. See you guys back tomorrow. Clubhouse. I will be returning shortly. Later, chat. I'm out. Peace.
Yeah, you can be the greatest, you can be the best, you can be the King Kong banging on your chest. You can beat the world, you can beat the war, you can talk to God, go banging on his door. You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock, you can move a mountain, you can break rocks. You can be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you go find yourself standing in the Hall of Fame. Yeah. And the world's gonna know your name. Yeah. 'Cause you burn with the brightest flame. Yeah. And the world's gonna know your name. Yeah. And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. You can go the distance, you can run the mile, you can walk straight through hell with a smile. You could be the hero, you can get the gold, breaking all the records they thought never could be broke. Yeah, do it for your people, do it for your pride. Are you ever gonna know if you never even try? Do it for your country, do it for your name, 'cause there's gonna be a day when you're standing in the Hall of Fame. Yeah. And the world's gonna know your name. Politicians be preachers, yeah. Be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions, be truth seekers. Be students, be teachers, be politicians, be preachers, yeah. Be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions. Standing in the Hall of Fame. And the world's gonna know your name. Cause you burn with the God's flame. And the world's gonna know your name. And every other walls of the Hall of Fame. You can be the greatest, you can be the best. You can be the king, crown hanging on your chest. You can be the girl, you can be the wall. You can throw your child, got it banging on his wall. You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock. You can move a mountain, you can break rocks. You can be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and your life for standing in the Hall of Fame. Get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk. Whoa, I was chasing my glory, then fell asleep. Woke me up and told me to go feed the sheep. Sent me deep in the streets just to bring them peace. Yeah, we be where them blickies be bustin', where they enjoy life with no discussion. But as soon as they see the light rushing, they know that the Lord walking with us, no bluffing. People say that I'm fake, I'm like, okay. Do you walk in the light or you throw shade? 1 more sex on my skin, I got no shame. We was preaching about Jesus before fame. Get it? Did that. On my side, yeah, he been that. That's the devil where my sins at. On the cross, cause he pinned that. Big throne where he sits at. That hit him, then he hit back. Resurrected, yeah, that's big facts. Told us hold it down till he get back. Get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah, walk with me. Step in the scene with the fly, how to keep it so steady, don't fall for the fox. How to cut out the session, he got it up crop. Hold up, spiritual weapons when miracles happen. I'm never surprised cause it got. Ain't serving no Hannah Montana, ain't switching my banner like David, we slinging a rock. We kicking this beating, why serve you short? Even if it mean I'm bleeding. Come kill my flesh, my soul still breathing. Speak through me, yeah, yeah. This heart keep beating, these lungs keep singing. Come and step into the kingdom, for the ones mistreated. Till the day we see them. This feel like the moment we seeking, the day we can sing up the water, get freedom to walk. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk, get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah. Walk, 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 walk. Let's go. Walk, 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 walk. We walk.
The number you have dialed is not available at present. Please leave your message after the beep.
Yeah, trendsetter, whoa, league of my own, it don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals, hit it dead center, hit it dead center. Bullseye, hit it the most, is no misses. Something like fish in a barrel, it's no different. Blindfold on me, I still got the most vision. Trendsetter told them before, but they don't listen. Better, bring a better bad because I'm bigger, better. Solo, single, selling several shows at every single second. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Kinda came and crushed the competition, hope they get the message. Look, living it fast, spinning my M in the bag. I never go slow, thinking I'll crash. End up a thing in the past, they know I won't though. Big fish catching me, they gon' need a bigger boat. Ironic how the world stops when I spin a globe. Always showing up. Right. Last year's song still holding up. See the name now and they know what's up. Right. Price hit the top and it's going up. I'm a trendsetter. Whoa, league of my own, it don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals, hit it dead center. Hit it dead center. Yeah, trendsetter. Whoa, league of my own, it don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals, hit it dead center. Hit it dead center.
B.O.D. Get the spell check, a fact check, and prevent errors going up. See the bent lever, jalapeno hot, y'all just red peppers. All y'all copy copies, but I'm left center. And your shorty glitching on me like a text center. Hit it with a French tenor. Crazy, wait until I do the next record. I leave head severed. I don't need to hit the bench ever. But if I do, I'm PRing to the next level. Condo flights to Lufthansa. Already know who you people fans of. Call me Big Daddy in a big body Wrangler. Call me Big Daddy Adam Sandler. Bullseye, aiming for a cottage with a poolside, full size.
Always showing up. Last year's song still holding up. See the name now and they know what's up. Price hit the top and it's going up. I'm a trendsetter. Whoa, league of my own, it don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals, hit it dead center. Hit it dead center.
I'm doing well. Hey, I'm doing well. I know some folks that told me I would never make it. They said I'd probably end up bitter in a cell. And from the way I used to act, I understand why you would say it, but I'm here to tell you now I'm doing well. I walked around like I didn't even have a purpose. With no direction, I was headed straight to hell. Until the king came down and my knees hit the ground. That's the only reason I'm doing well. I'm doing better than you could imagine. Picked up the book and I'm turning the chapter. Used to have Jeezy inside of the speakers and threw it away and replaced it with passes. Grandmama told me if you fill yourself up with garbage, it's probably what's gonna come out. I shrugged it off till I got a bit older, but now I know what she's talking about. That boy done changed up, but keep it real. Independent, I don't need a deal. God twang may be the trademark, but the living God is who made the seal. Supernatural, no Copperfield. Downside with the back of fields. When you're coming from the bottom, you ain't even gotta worry about the mud, cause you walk through it. Check my heels, my God gon' order my steps. You see, he taught me this lesson. If the bait ain't working on your hook, you need to switch up the method. There's people dying every day, folks down and out with depression. Gotta be the light inside the dark place, wake them up with the message. I know some folks that told me I would never make it. They said I'd probably end up bitter in a cell. And from the way I used to act, I understand why you would say it, but I'm here to tell you now I'm doing well. I walked around like I didn't even have a purpose. With no direction, I was headed straight to hell. Until the king came down and my knees hit the ground. That's the only reason I'm doing well. I'm doing everything that they said I couldn't, going everywhere that they said I wouldn't. My plate was empty till I met the Lord, then he filled it up cause he steady cooking. Defeated death and he gave me life. Killed the lust and gave me a wife. My heart was rotten, he cleaned it up, now I'm bare fruit, I'm truly right. Used to run around trying to ball, taking exits to elude the law. Locked down with no place to go, then he met me there and I got the call. Answer that, you gotta pick it up. I had an empty glass and he filled my cup. Pouring out to all the folks that need it, that's all you need cause this is enough. Open it daily, gotta get your portion of bread. This world is sleeping on the truth, it's time to hop out of bed. I get it, I was there as well, so I live out what I said. But judgment's coming and we can't make it right after we're dead. I know some folks that told me I would never make it. They said I'd probably end up bitter in a cell. And from the way I used to act, I understand why you would say it, but I'm here to tell you now I'm doing well. I walked around like I didn't even have a purpose. With no direction, I was headed straight to hell. Until the king came down and my knees hit the ground. That's the only reason I'm doing well. I'm doing out on Wall Street, the lights are glowing bright. Trading high stakes in the dead of night. I'm chasing dreams with numbers on the screen, hoping this gamble brings a life serene. Cause I'm trading on high risk to feed my family, paying off debts, fighting to be free. Late nights and hard work, I won't let go. For my loving kids and wife, I'll brave the stormy flow. Started out broke with a tough past in tow. Early pregnancy, we had to grow. Bank calls in, bills stacked high. I stare at those charts and I can't lie. Cause I'm trading on high risk to feed my family, paying off debts, fighting to be free. Late nights and hard work, I won't let go of my love and kids who I found brave the stormy flow. Lonely nights in the city's glow, thinking about the love I left at home. Every trade is a chance I take, looking for a happy end, no matter what's at stake. The morning sun, it finds me here, eyes red but I've got no fear. I see the future, it's bright and clear. For my family I'll persevere, cause I'm trading on high risk to feed my family, paying off debts, fighting to be free. Late nights and hard work, I won't let go of my love and kids who I found brave the stormy flow. Lonely nights in the city's glow, thinking about the love I left at home. Every trade is a chance I take, working for a happy end, no matter what's at stake. The morning sun, it finds me here, eyes red, but I've got no fear. I see the future, it's bright and clear. For my family, I'll persevere, cause I'm trading on high